Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody make the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Mixup and Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey. Up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the leaf of the tambourine mind, it can't stop in a revival time. Everybody shake up the tambourine and praise the Lord.
A Mixup and Blenda time.
Wagwan people. Karen Rubin says, "Hey, sweetie, can you be my turkey tomorrow? Come lay on my plate with some gravy." Karen, you want to put some gravy for Miss Cherry boy? No, I mean, I think we can't manage that gravy today. You're not going to agree with me. Wagwan people, wagwan in Wednesday, wagwan in Wednesday. Everything is everything, you know. Jojo Beans in the building, Antasha in the building, CBS, Miss Bless, one name change and beer things. Tina Lee, good as. Master, where you depon? Master, where you depon in 990? No punchline, Master, where you depon in 990? Lady J, I see you follow. Big up yourself. Welcome over in our crew. You're a TamFam now. Yeah, big up on yourself. You know, we're there. Yeah. Baileys are doing it today. Baileys, come on. You don't know some means are Baileys, man. Don't see it there. Nice little decent cup. At least I don't have the big jug, you know. But this alone will just make me kind of get in a little mellow mood and start me beer trouble, you know. Not Cookie Monstrous type of trouble, you know, but my type of trouble, you know. Because I know it's a Cookie Monstrous type of trouble. And next level trouble, them, you know. And them trouble, why I don't know, you know. Jumper, ragga, a woman drinks that, you know. Typical Jamaican thing or whatever. Well, you can put whatever label you want to put on it, you know. A Baileys me drink. And in fact, the other drinks them with me like, I drink them with them say woman like. Yeah, right? So Jumper, me not have nothing to prove, Papa. A Baileys ragga like here. And ragga like Sex on the Beach, White Russian, and you know, them taste good, cocktail and whatever. Yeah, ragga drink cocktail too. Yeah, Jumper. So you can go and drink your whatever you drink, your strong liquor. I actually like anything, you know. I like cognac, you know. Cognac have a little sweetness to it, you know. But me not in a little bit more, you know, enough chaser. You see what I say? I don't know my thing already, you know. Me not believe in a drinking something where you have to go. Me not see no fun in that. Anything me a drink of it. Millionaire, bombata, what that you fling out there, boo. Listen to me now, man. I was your throat a while ago, this a millionaire. You bust them head, you know. Yeah. Alright, so me I tell you now, my drink them, you know. Them have to nice. Them have to taste good, you know. Anything I go in my mouth have to taste good. If it not taste good, me not go in my mouth. Me don't want in my mouth if it not taste good, right? And all seeing, what that's something that named Fest Gear. Watch out, a big shade them threw upon me a while ago, you know. Ernie, what you ask me done? You see it? Cookie Man says she tastes good. So we tell me say you taste good for? Eh? Milo make them know nothing nasty in your mouth. Oh, you mean? When we talk in my mouth, it have to taste good. If it not taste good, I don't want it in my mouth, man. Keep it for yourself. Is what I say? All right. Nadine Salmon. Yeah. What go down? London said juice for have taste. Yo, Jamaica, hey, and then if you're not used to Jamaicans, you hear Jamaican talk and he's like a foreigner, and you hear Jamaican talk and you can't. Jamaican, like the Jamaican language, it's like we leave out some things sometimes, but we understand it, So when you hear Jamaican say, juice for have taste, all juice have taste, But what we really mean is that juice for have good taste. But the way the Jamaican language is, I know people, and we don't necessarily say good taste, we just say, yo, this not no taste. Which mean it have taste, but it tastes bad, right? Or, it just bland or something, But if we say, yo, I hear a Jamaican say, nah, man, she have shape. As if everybody not have shape. Everybody have shape, But a Jamaican, we say she have shape, meaning, no, man, she shape good. But the good name ain't, But if somebody come down and see a Jamaican and say, yeah, man, she have shape, then I'll be like, wait, what? What do you mean she have shape? But she must have shape. Everybody have shape. But that's how I look at talking that, And how I look at talking that. And then, like me telling you, I have some scholars who say, language is a reflection of your experiences, So Jamaicans are quite adept at surviving and coming out of difficult situations. And one of the ways in which we're able to do that is that we trickify. Jamaicans are genial by nature, Yeah, man, Jamaicans are a big farm food. Why yo, my love on I send on to give them to them. I not lie, my love to give them a send on. And we just start and ready, G's and peace. When it just start and it good, that means the rest I like, nice, no? Yeah. But anyway, so, yeah, some renowned scholars, and them say, boy, Jamaicans by nature, we are deceptive, Not in a bad way, but in a way where you can't pin we down. And if you really think about it, it's right replete through our culture, right? But them say it's from our colonial experiences, Is that when you come from an oppressive setting where you constantly have the oppressors, you can't make them know what you think, But you not go along with what them are saying, But you're surviving on this, but you can't make them know what you think. So you have to give them one impression while you work with something else, And them say that is right through the Jamaican culture. In other words, when you're in Jamaica, when you think you're here where you're here, and that you're here. When you think you're see where you're see, and that you're see. Right? And we do it so natural. Look at when we grew up and thing and whatever. Jamaicans have a thing that make nobody know your real name. If I have a pet name. Right? That is an obsession with people who come out of post-colonial, who are existing in a form of post-colonial oppression, who understand. It's like enough to know who me really is, right? If you go Cuba right now, you have them have a religion named Santeria, right? When that religion they are farm, the slave them the enslaved people them did want to do them African religion, While the European, the Spanish European was foisting Catholicism on them. So what them do is, them give them the impression, say them praise the Catholic saint them, But them not praise the Catholic saint them, Them put one African, one Yoruba saint behind them. So you find, say, in the Catholic religion, you have all these things, Saint this, Saint Michael, Saint this and that. But behind all of those, Santeria, them have for them representative for each one of those, Now, later on in our life, now, the modern manifestation of it is a meld. It's a syncretic religion now because the modern people who are supposedly free, them accept the Catholic saint to married, hybrid with the African one. So you have a Catholic saint, but you have like an African saint. The African saint, and them call them Orishas. Or Orishas. Melian here, big up, you go hard, I like it. All right. And then you have like Elegua, Obatula, and whatever. The point me I make, you have one thing over here, son, but you have something else going. And it's right replete in the Caribbean, When you think you know somebody name, you don't know them name. Yeah. When you think you know somebody, I think you don't know. When you think you know a Jamaican, I think you don't know a Jamaican, I think, That's why I'm not stress out all myself with certain things with woman, I no need for know. Me just need for know enough for know. Yeah, you can't go and think say you get over upon me. You can't go and think say you get over upon me. It's neither here nor there for me and whatever, you understand? Some man them obsessed for know what really are going on in a certain people mind or for control them and whatever. Most of them so want control the Jamaican woman. I wish you no luck. I wish you no luck. No for no one, so no know if you fuck what go on and sometimes you listen to some man and I say, oh, I know exactly where my woman I think and if my woman fake an orgasm, I must know. Oh, she now do them something there and if my woman I give me born more than know, I must know. Please. All I want a Jamaican man out there. All I want a Jamaican man out there who thinks no good like that for find out if no woman born or if them are born or whatever. On the favor fat, poor uno. Cause nobody no skill like the Jamaican woman. You hear me, antenna? Okay. I know that's something they like. I better you just enjoy the ride, literally and figuratively. Boom, bop. No, I'm a millionaire. I'm not a millionaire. You're a real millionaire in the night, what's up? I make you go along, so. No, sir. You make all Navlet jealous and thing and whatever, Navlet big up your shoes here. Navlet, yesterday them did a beat you about your shoes. The one Munchie did there, I thought, boy, you drop boof baff boof in a crisscross party in a boot because you couldn't manage a brand new, pretty sexy red boots to come all the way up here. So, what you did that wear Pretty Punchy beat you yesterday. Pretty Punchy beat you yesterday. Right yes upon the show, Pretty Punchy say, when you're walking at the shows, you favor when goat have sprained foot. And that she said when you did a walk in her shoes in her party, you walk like when goat foot sprain. Yeah. Beat your bad Navlet. You can ask other people like me to beat you. All day I talk about a diaper you wear with the shorts where you did have on because you couldn't take it off, because from me put on it can't come off. I don't even know what she said a diaper you did have on because you never want to go bathroom, go pee, you couldn't bother for to take off your shorts because I one of them shorts you anyway take off it or stretch out because it's cheap and whatever. A beer thing she talk about you over here. Yesterday Navlet, beer things. Beat you. The one Munchie. One Munchie, watch your Ellie coming, but it's a long time since she joined the live. Go beard. Yes, Navlet, them do your bad. Me if you turn up strong and argue for you and all these things and whatever. You understand what I say? It was awful. Yeah, so when I work with Suhila, how you know about lie? Listen to me. I'm not tell lie on Wednesday. You get that right. I'm not tell lie on Wednesday. Know that. Midweek. When we not make we not lie. No prune juice today. Bailey's I do it. Awa. Awa. Gangsta chumpy. But listen, me be here 2 times already from Rock. Hey, God. Yes, yeah, people are be things are going on in the world, you know, but you know, some kind of easy for certain of the heavy things, and we just have to tell you, say, you have to pay attention to what going on, the man, because it affect you know. Yeah, it affect we, whatever the dynamics that define we are. I don't know about that something they don't. And boy, man, telling them I get the woman, them a warm time out. The ladies, them a beat on the bad out there, you know. Want to hold it, you know. And just know, say, a man out here defending and see what go on. And if it come down to it, we turn up trunk phone or down. No, that's something there, yeah. So again, people, next month, me I go Grenada for host a wedding down in the 20, this and that, you know. So... Elisa JPS, I get $150 million for relief. For $150 million from who? From the government or from a private entity? And Sonia say, shirt, that this track, what happened to your shirt? Love my shirt, man. I like my shirt. Yeah, when I go Grenada, I'm going to go back to that church. I have to go back to that church. I video it. I see you in people. We go back to the church. They go look for Sonia Virginity, yeah? I video it. It's an Anglican church downtown, right? Right, Sonia? Yeah, verbal expression, she remember, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to go back to that church and see if Sonia Virginity back there, you know? Because it could have still there, man. You never know. And so anyway, what the power something name one? Kissing Mixup, kissing Mixup. Any mix-up involving kissing or a kiss or something or whatever, you know? And of course, any other mix-up wanna have one of those forward and make we hear what I go on. Yeah. One of those forward and make we hear what I go on. And everybody wanna send on the art me right away before we even start. The orange heart beside my name. Just press it, right? Each of you entitled to press it at least once every 24 hours for each creator, you know? So I'm gonna press it for Raga right, you know, the orange heart beside mine. Jamaican teddy bear, big up yourself. And if anybody are doing any cooking today and you know want to show one dinner, we want to do that, you know, that are going good for money, you know, big up Jamaican teddy bear, them beat you, you know. Them beat you, you know, them beat you and say your oxtail beat out, the oxtail butter out. Them beat you, you know, teddy bear. Yeah, man, them butter you, man, because my post is sitting, man, and then say your oxtail get butter out. Eh? How going? The mashup, teddy bear is the mashup good as a beat you about the mashup oxtail, don't. Yeah, them beat you, man, I put it up, man, because you don't know when I post on TikTok, I post on IG, I post on Facebook, you know. By the way, I want to follow me on them thing there, you know, Ragashanti on Facebook, Ragashanti on Instagram and thing, yeah. So them still a beat you there, you know, Tina Lee say oxtail soup, Dr. Max said the one-leg chicken. And a two-legged chicken now, you know, but one leg look shorter, man. One leg look like one disabled. Yeah. No, big and serious. One leg they look shorter, you know. That's why I said the chicken they must did a walk so, you know. I don't mean it like disparaging. Because one leg look long and firm and one look short and things. So a chicken they did have some challenges when it a walk, you know. That is just my opinion and thing, all right. Yeah. When you say Sonny, I want up and drop chicken. Up and drop, right? I yesterday when the woman I get a mix up and she said, what she say again? If you can't go down pan it, if you go round pan it. You know that bad, you know. so she said, like, if you can't go wrong, if you go wrong. If you can't go wrong pan it, if you go wrong it. No so she say. No so she, that she, I saw it they go. If you can't go down pan it, if you go wrong pan it. Yeah, man, Miss Lady who did that shell out the pigtail body, you know? Yeah. And yes, it's everyone have them thicker bush, you know. All right? So, no care where I go through, you know, I don't want to depress about anything on the body or them something, you know. If you have to work on it, work on it. But while you work on it, love yourself same way, yeah, man. Because remember, you know, ultimately, you know, sexiness, you know, is a state of being, you know. Success is a mental state. Success is a mindset, you know. And, you know, because you can have all the good things in the world, but if your mind is in the right place, you know, get no success. You understand? And I see him think it's sexiness in there. So whenever I see some people who say physically, like, I wouldn't seen him, but a person that just bubbly and full of vibes and engaging and whatever, and them just coming like, you know, a moth to a flame, them draw people and people want a piece of them and want their own them. But telling you, you know, that me used to beat them with a Jamaica, you know. Yeah. Because I wasn't a fierce boy and a hot boy. I don't tell you about Gary already, who was a good looking boy and thing. And him and the girl them want them never want me. With my big head and my big nose and thing and whatever and this and that and my poor people clothes and thing. But who did have vibes like Raga? That me I tell you, who make the girls them laugh and talk up some sitting in them ears and tell me, I can't take you, you know, I can't take you, son, I can't bother with you, you know, Kingsley, whatever. Yeah, I don't have to use and beat them. Attitude determines your altitude. I don't know about that saying they don't. Yeah, man, say if you have the right attitude, man, people can't resist it, man. People are like, I don't know why them like it. And I say, but I don't know why I like that boy, yeah. After him, whenever I hear the woman, I say, I don't know why I like that man here, you know, because him is not the type of man I like, and I'm my type. I just can't think about everything. I wonder if I time me. Yeah, because some man just have that something there. Yeah, you know, woman wants to say, boom. Some woman have that something there, they mean 100 and thing, but the way them govern them thing and the way them bubble and thing, you just like, you know, you just want in a them company. And when you not do nothing, you want there around them. Yeah, and you know when a man knows it, you know when a man a feel a woman. And ladies know this too, you know. You see when a man call just for talk, that man interested in her, you know, because man not do them something, you know. It sounds simple, don't it? Yeah, we move with purpose, right? I remember a friend of mine, she said, yo, what's wrong with guys? You know, they don't call just to call. And I'm like, what do you mean? And she's like, we girls, we would just call, like, for no reason. We just call. No, we said, no, we are man. We are going to call for a reason. She said, no, girls are not like that. We just call for no reason. And it would be great. Yeah. So you see, if you have a man who call you and just want in your company and they're on you, and them look away there, you like you, man. But woman don't know them something already, no. I'm gonna look a bit and thing, and the boy them like you. When I like you, then come and I trouble you, and I like you, don't. And I go and like them, I like you, don't. Yeah, and I go and like them want insult you or trouble you or this or whatever. That time I like them, like you. You know, I look at something there. Yeah. So I don't know about that for a long time, you see. But me are the opposite, you know. If me like you, me not say nothing to you yet, you know, me I watch your ass first, you know, and see if you chat too much. Then I might look at thing, you know. And I want them to chat too much, you know, and if you use one of them women that you could have pretty like gold from, I go so boom. Back in the idea, I pray and say, you love run, go tell your friend them things and whatever, and if you look at good thing happen to your run, go and tell your friend. You could have pretty like gold, I don't want nothing with you, because you go tell your friend them, don't. I don't want that something they don't. You have to map out the thing, them, man. On a raga rule, you know. I'll protect you, but you have to protect me too. If you not protect me, me not protect you, man. I ain't nothing with you. You understand? Me protect you, you know. Me would deny it to the ground for protect you. You understand what I'm saying? But you have to do that for me too, you know. Not least say 3 boy I wait for my break. for my break and lunchtime. Boom, but not Leah, so he did a roll down. John, yeah, let me tell you, that one boy at school, you know. Good looking boy, and he could have run fast, poor thing, he go kill himself too and thing, go hang himself. But before that, Calabar all age, you know. He boy fast, you know. I just want somebody did probably faster than him in one youth named Dexter Walters, who we call Danny Palmer, you know. You know, street he come from Spoilers, they see him with this there Wildman Street. Cause Danny Palmer did fast, you know, Dexter did what, but yeah, one youth named Brian, man, him did fast, you know. But the boy brown, and have what we at them time in Jamaica, we call it pretty here, you know. Me tell you, say, girl are dead over the boy, you know, man. You understand? I'm just want up a little boy, you know, when the boy is quiet and humble and all them things. The boy with the young, I don't even know a poor little youth I got children, but one of them things this thing, you see me? Anyway, and then, you know, say, the woman, them now look for the girl, them now look for me, you know, cause I say them time, them I call my donkey nose old too, you know, and I tease me, and I beat me, kill me. And then one day, I remember them a play Peeny Pan, yo. And Brian, I tell Brian, him did name, man. And one girl goes so boom, I think I Eula Lee. A real Jamaican old school name, that you know, Eula Lee. Remember, she could have played netball good, bad like yours. And Eula Lee goes so and draw for Brian, you know, and bust a piece of wine pan Brian. The whole of the ring game there. And I say, Eula Lee, holy boy, I'm press. Well, a grade 4 win at them time then, a grade 4, grade 5. You lally, well, Brian, you know, man, and wind up, Brian. Hey, let me tell you, man, and Brian couldn't manage it, man, and, you know, and be a nice and thing. You know, we're going when we play a ring game at Jamaica, and I see now, you lally, wind up, Brian, you know. Proper, you know, Brian get ready, you know, cause boy brown, you know. He boy get red. Star boy. And then Brian, you know, so after them wine, you have now you for run around, you know. Brian is having a party. Peeny pan, yo. And this is the way he whiny pan, whiny pan, yo. Hey, so, and then he wine pan a girl, and a girl have a girl, and wine pan a guy. You understand? So Brian wine off a girl and thing. But he couldn't wine. Brian couldn't wine. Brian couldn't wine. But remember, in a fierce boy, you know. Boy. Brian, I find it weird when me hear women start refer to man as pretty. But some woman refer to some man as pretty. And Brian was one of them. I probably forced somebody me hear woman saying pretty and things, see. And then now, she goes, so, hey, Colleen, big up yourself, you know. All right. Latoya. You see it, Navlet, big up. So, you know, one of them, I think Emily now. Emily now, go on, so Emily, what I say? Emily is having a party. Peeny pan, yo. And this is the way she whine. And who Emily go come for? No, Miss Cherry Wash Belly. That would be me. Yeah. And Emily comes, so boom. But Emily a bad girl, you know. Emily Nelson. She'd have a twin sister named and twin sister too. And two of them did a fight me and I kick me up and thing, and the teacher them never say nothing. I'm up on the ground and go make a small kickback and thing. The teacher then come over and beat me with the leather straps and enough to put my foot on a woman. And they never come over and rescue me when she and her twin sister batter me, you know. But anyway, that's a different story. I still have them. I mean, say carry belly though. Remember there's something of them though. Yeah. But anyway, so Emily now, I whine a girl, you know. So Emily come over now and go so. Because usually, you know, when we are wine, you bend your knee and you go down or you lean back and thing and whatever for put style on it and ray and go on with the something them and whatever. But Emily now come over now and Emily just lift up one of her foot, you know, and just lap me right back on my waist, you know, and Emily just stay so with one hand, you know, and one full of style, you know. And Emily goes, but you know that Jamaican something, they go, if the woman come at you and whatever, you have to step up like a G. So remember at school with you know, Calabar all age, you know, right back at East Queen Street Baptist Church, you know, okay. So when Emily go do that, I will go tell her if I do that. Who go tell her if I do that? With Mr. Extra. Eh? You know, Mr. Extra over here. Who go tell her if I do that? Yo, at them time, I lift up woman, you know. Me just go some woman, just lift her up and grab her and just start whining her off and run with her. You know, that's something that Jamaican do. And run with her and lean her up on the wall and run peeny, pam. And when me a whine her off, you know, them love the arms us too, you know. Because the way the song go, you know, peeny, pam. Yo, but it's really 3 times at the most you get 3 peeny. But through me I go on with the thing, you know, them start run back at me, peeny, pam, and I gotta work, you know. Remember, me not pretty like them boy there, you know, so me have to work for my one, you know, them time there, you know. Things kind of different now, you know. You know, really work. But them time there, you know, whole heap of work have to go on and right there, so. Me I go another example here. So somebody like Brian now who him not have to do nothing. Woman just fling themselves on him. Him not have to do a damn thing. The girls them they just love him, boy him look. But through me go on with my antics and run up and down with Emily now back here and Emily I whine it after the two and them love the, and after that me a star. Yeah, the girl them talk up to me, you know. Yeah, I want to give me them cheese tricks and them cheese crunches and them, so come, man, come chat up to you and whatever. Work with your strength. Find your strength. I want them, Sir Jojo. You have to work with your strength. Don't try to be nobody else. Just find your strength and max out your strength. Remember, you know, whoever you are, they can never be another you. And when you have a twin sister or a twin brother, that twin sister and that twin brother cannot be you. They can never be another Raga. Them have a little saying that we are go down like them that say, 1 Juliet, never 2. It is so true. No 2 human beings is the same. Everyone I don't have no strength. Everyone I don't have no plus. Everyone I don't have something unique, but it might be similar to somebody else. But everyone I want to have some unique gift. Some I want to probably recognize it already. Some I want to not recognize it yet. Some I want to, unfortunately, many people don't recognize it their entire life, all until they're dead. But everyone I want to have something but the rest of the world can't touch. Everyone I want to. Me have it blood clot. Me know me have it. Yeah, me have that. Me have something. Me have sitting where a ragga that. Yeah. And you say once you know what that something there is, and when people come and fast with you don't ever fart upon them and think. They can't be you. I can learn from Barack Obama. I can never be Barack Obama. Me can learn something from Mike Tyson, UC, and Fannie Lou, him and Michelle Obama, but me can't be them. The only person me can be right now is me, and enjoy me, and love me. And you see, you love yourself in a humble way, self-affirming way. People can't help but like you. Sometimes they like you to the point when they have to hate you, you know, because them feel bad so they like you and you attract them attention and then can't ignore you or whatever. Then they end up a cuss out your cloth. They end up a walk a chat all kind of thing about you. Because you have that something there and you glow that way there and you're in tune. You know that saying that when them have like, yeah, live your truth? Yeah, that statement there, you know, powerful, you know. Because you basically say, you find your inner you, your honestly. You find your honesty of who you are. And let me tell you something, people. There is nothing more stress-free and comfortable than that. Mark, you know, people are going to have all kind of problems. Some people are going to have all kind of problem with you, you know. But other people are going to feel you. Some people are going to have all kind of problem with you. Because the more successful you are, is the more you're going to find people who think you should be a certain way, but that is their way of getting attention for themselves, you know? Right? So it's always curious to me, for example, when I was in Jamaica, you have all these people who want to come tell me like, what me could I do, what me should I do, you know, what me must stop do and what me should I do. And sometimes I fast with them and me say to them, why are you telling me this? And you know, I'm just giving you some suggestion. Yeah, but there has to be a reason. No, I'm just trying to, and you know, sometimes them don't want to come out with this. I'm going to say, you're helping me, right? Yeah. So me say, you're helping me. You want to help me. Right? Let me say, between me, you know, who bachelor's degrees honors, master's degree psychotherapy, Ph.D. anthropology, doctorate, this and that, lecturer at the department at the time, me go through them something, successful talk show host and thing like that. You think you need to help me? You think me? Do you not think 20 other people out there want to help? Why you don't want to help those people, but you want to help somebody who don't need your help? Make it make sense. Sometimes I knock them with that, you know. So I say, I don't understand it. Why you spend some effort to come tell me what me must do and whatever. Look how much people you pass. Me show you pass some people on the road. I beg your money and thing. Me show you me have somebody who work with you, the yard or help or help them. Me no need your help. Me all right. Why you want to help me? And I say, of course. What you don't understand is what you're doing here is not about helping me. You are trying to reconcile some discomfort or some insecurity or some incongruity that you're experiencing from observing me, from interacting with me, I think. And that is why, despite you coming here to say you're here to help me, like, Raga, you can't do better. Why you cuss bad word? Why you in a dancehall? You this and that and whatever. Why you talk? You're saying all of that and you not ask me if I'm happy. I always knock them with that. And then, you know, sometimes they're looking at themselves or whatever. Because people do these automatic things, you know, they activate these scripts, you know, and they don't really realize where it's coming from. That it's coming from some insecurity on them when they're projecting it on you, you know. Some people see an opportunity in you for ascendancy in them. Because if them come criticize you and whatever, it gives them a platform, you know, and thing. But of course, I rank some of them I fuck with. But me just I say, you know, me understand the game. I don't pay them the mind all the while and whatever. But sometimes me just kind of ramp with them and me think, me say, no man, there's something going on in you. There's something going on in you, make you beard, put on your clothes, driving in your car, take bus, pass, all these people come over and come down and say, no, for come tackle me, say you want to help me when I need your help. And they say, no, there's something going on with you. You need to check yourself this, you know. Because you don't ask me if I'm happy. 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 Raga, you happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Never happy all the while, but yeah, I'm happy. I'm a good man. We're good over here. When I need your help, I mean, feel free, you know, if you have all kind of problem where you want to have with me. But if you come to me, you know, if you say, yeah, try if you tell me, say, me if you listen to you, yeah, help me or whatever, which doesn't mean you can't get feedback, you know, because you learn from people who give you, you know, honest feedback and say, you know, you could have do, well, what if you try so and so, you could have do so and that. Because sometimes I'm wrong too. Yeah. Bunch of time I wrong and people can say, no, you know, say I mess up this and then they span them meds now, me will listen and say, you know, say I true you tell. I go wrong this of a true, you know, respect, you know. Yeah, all the while I wrong all the while. But the one them come, man, but they want to save you, man. Right? When boy don't happy. You understand? You know, see me, I'm good. You understand? All right? Anyway, Sinalicious. You know what I say yesterday when the woman get the mix up about the split where she had, where she did a sort out, have one foot down and bring up the other foot way up here, so round the man head. Who never there, you know, one woman give one mix up yesterday, you know. By the way, remember, say all of the show them will come over here, so them they over YouTube, TamFam TV. All of the show them were there, so them they over YouTube. Right? Yes, the link. No, man, me wrong all the while. And when me wrong, but you have to just come with your thing correct, you know. When you talk, I mean, I say, you know, say what that person has to make sense. If it don't make sense, me not paying no mind. But all the while, people who Makes sense. Him say, Raga, Ray, I'm a thing about it. I say, you know, I said the logic tight. Wrong for true. Or sometimes I'm not wrong, you know, sometimes it could be like, you could have do it differently, you know, and you know, them look weird. But anyway, remember, you know, all of the show them over here, you know, you can go watch them over YouTube. The whole of them over YouTube, over TamFam TV. And when you go over there, subscribe. I remember I said subscribe over there is like follow, so you don't have to pay. And click the bell. Even if you have PNP, click the bell so you get the notification. Even if you have PNP, click the bell. Okay, for the notification. So click subscribe and click a bell when you go over there. All right? And that is that. Yeah. So, Sinner, listen, I tell you, say, who never there yesterday, one woman tell you about a thing we reach her. She did do some style, you know? 1 foot down and the other foot way up in a split position, you know, depend on the man's shoulder, you know, and the man down, pan her and whatever, you know. And I go on with the thing and whatever. You know, so the dog shift her room. Who never there yesterday, you read, you know, can go watch back, listen back that show there and watch back that show. Shift her room. Woman, when she said that, you know, say, Sinalicious, my mind run pan you, January. I mean, I tell you, nobody take show off like Navlet and go try that. It not gonna work. It not gonna work for you, Sinalicious. Now try that style. And people don't believe, say, well, me not gonna say so. Shift her room. No, shift her room. Me don't know if her room, me say her room. It's shift her room. Literally shift her room. Raga asked her what happened to her when she did try. When she did try, what? Okay, Dr. Mark, thank you. Sinalicious, you can't say me never want you. Because Sinalicious, you strike me as somebody who love try this something, and as soon as they hear about a new style, they want to come try it, you know. Hey, don't try that one day, yeah? You go mash you up and you go fast with that one day. Ask somebody like Ilian too cute now, you know. I think Ilian can manage any little bad position and all them thing there, you know, full of chat and thing and probably can't even manage certain position. You know? Hello? Hello? Hello?
You just keep that attitude, Jada, because that's the purpose. We're not going to do that, and we're not going to have it. Best way to start, just don't have it. Let's go.
Like me, I hear Steve Harvey, you know, that's something there, you know. All right, any mix up on the app on the forward or any kiss mix up on the app, you hear me, I say? Hello?
You know, long more reach pan this up me out.
Cool, man.
Right, man, big up yourself, man. A long time, I take you in here, man.
You see, where I say an idea, in that right here.
Well, you want to know, say, as a youth, you can code. So me a code with you. Because I saw we code and a woman get caught up in a code. You understand?
Yeah.
Me dey a yard and me a scroll in pan a bus. Me a go town, me and me soldier them.
See it.
But I tell him about a little catty way, come check him. And him have to do so. You see it?
Yeah.
But him a code to me. So all of us school people up on the bus. I want whole lady sit down right in the middle of it. So me can't disrespect a big woman. So we have to talk in a code. So me I said, what going on last night?
Mm-hmm.
Dog I said, no, say, me go up on the road and go to a shop and go for a pound of rice.
Yeah.
I mean, you mean, dog? So me say, you cook it? Man, I say, you mean, dog, me cook a pound of rice?
Yeah.
I said, okay, I saw good, dog.
Yeah.
But, so when he go over there, the whole stove, it full up. Full up, so he couldn't get to cook. My house full up. Yeah, my house full of people now. So
Yeah.
cooking can't go on.
Cooking couldn't go on.
I have to go out and do, you see, dog, I catch up a piece of blood clean, wood fire. You say,
I mix up and blend that time.
so,
Yeah.
the dog, say him go out and do, and I say, yeah, man, me got me fire in the wood and me push up wood. So I say, dog, when you cook rice, you have to know if you cook rice. Now, anybody can cook rice, you know. You must
True.
say, A true man, yeah man, but me know if you cook it, I say, you put butter in, I say, yes man. Come I say, yes man, because when you put butter in, rice come down shelly. I say, you mean dog, rice have a shelly?
Yeah,
Then this
yeah.
old man, no, nobody know how to talk to him, you know. Yes, young man, you sound like you can cook. You me want to steam me rice.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
Nobody know talk to this old man, you know, but he
Yeah.
check up people business on him head.
And granny no know I won't talk
He
about
don't
and
know
I
what
run
you
in.
talk about.
And I run in, you know. Yeah.
Eh?
And if that steam rice the reach she probably could even
Funny
manage it.
cutting
I
board.
think what a rice would have burn up.
Water rice.
Yo, that bad.
Alright. Raga, me hold it for them, you know. Me a give you one more. Real sit me a tell about that. Be a real story me a tell you. You know.
Rinse, man. Rinse.
Me have this boy come down a yard, deport in and come a yard and in there foot.
Yeah.
And he have this woman next door and him a deal the woman. And he over there pelty woman.
Whap it, a lasher. Yeah.
I fling lashings, you know.
Cool,
I
man.
chew pedal and wheel. So when he did it,
Chop
him a
up
chew
that.
pedal and wheel. Mama say, such man, wrong hole. Say, shut the fuck up. No hoes wrong around here. Why you talking
Mixup
about?
and Blenda time.
Well,
Huh?
when you say when the deportee come from foreign, man, I have up a thing them when I go out with up here and she ball out and I say, Crackton, a wrong one, what Crackton say. You know, shut the fuck up, man. There ain't no wrong hole here.
No hoes wrong around
No
here.
holes wrong around here. No one around. Anyone itself careless get slapped up and things.
Anyone, man, I tell it up, man. Raga, we know keep up one next time again we jump in, because we are time again, yeah.
It goes some man. No say a
Man,
word,
I
man.
got respect
No
for
say a
boss.
word, man. Let me make sure some follow you. My nightmare. Yeah, everybody follow the G. All right, big up yourself. Safety on the road, Papa. All right.
Let me give you one more before me.
Yes, man.
Oh, me.
Yeah.
I say one time I did do some security work in a Raga. I'm there on the location and I put this girl in a day, you know. And the girl say, yo, you don't know, say, me I come check you. I say, yeah, me, Mr. Raga, me pelt up for girl. I buy some guineas and me beat up guineas and me did it. When me look, I say, what are you come? I say, me soon come. I work from about 6 o'clock and I do double shift, you know. I come off 10 o'clock in the night, you know.
Yeah.
When me look, nobody me see 1 o'clock pass. Me I say, but it did done. What time you come? He must say, me soon come. 2 o'clock come, 3 o'clock come. What time you come? Me soon come. Me say, frigate here, man. We down at 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Me still need him to come. So me I link him. Yo, brother, where the pan? You grown. Me. What time you say you come? I say, me I forward there now, man. Anyway, me did me tap link him. 10 o'clock, me see him come.
When you say him, you mean she, right? You mean she, right?
Yeah,
You
man.
say she,
Yeah.
Jamaican chat, yeah.
So she stays a boom and jump in. Mr. Raga, I carry the girl in a one little place, them in a brother. Turn on the light them. Roll on for me thing, dog, and pop off the jazz. Raga,
Yeah.
it's a catastrophe. So when me bust a girl leg and ready for sing, me see sitting hang down.
What?
Raga, me see sitting hang down, Raga. Me say when me look, dog, me back off.
Oh.
Me say what that?
We you see the hang down out of the living room.
He might say, what? Me take some boom and jar for some tea, so I come some boom and grab it sitting where me saying. You say me jar out. Raga,
One
I think
candle.
my juice factory now so much juice. I want bag full of juice. Me say, Raga, I think it's blood. Raga, juice, yeah. Me say, take your ass and cook. Me say, Raga, whole day me did it. Girl go fuck and I come. Like him jump off a hood and run. Come forgive me for the one.
Forgive the beat up and left,
Burger juice.
Then, well, I know, but like when you say, because we have heard this before where condom left in a woman and them not know, and some of we find it hard. But two things you say, you know, what confuse me with that one there, because one, you say it a hang out. Because you have condom find in a woman, you know, the condom in a them, you know. I can't understand how that can in a woman. But one, how it hang out and she don't know, and two, how it hang out and full of juice and she don't feel that I want to go and listen.
Listen me now, I don't know where I come from when he come in a Raga.
Yeah.
I don't know who I go on there, but me make sure make him live clothes same friggin' time.
Yeah.
I just meet her, I one day me meet her, you know. And I like her, me girl for a long time, you know.
Oh, wait. So when she come and I send her and thing, I one time you meet her before that?
Yeah, and I did same day me book her.
What you mean, the CMD?
CMD, me book her on the road, man, and I say, I was sharp like that in a Raga.
No, me know, but it no feel how you still no, I listen to you now. You say your article street man and thing and whatever, so you know what is what. But when I say, if you meet a woman, right, and the CMD you meet her, she'll come and you and she run it by you.
And I'm yard, me there, Raga, me must say I work, me say me there, you know.
Me know, but when me say, if you meet a woman and that woman they are carried come give on the day when you meet her, there ain't a possible man. Me not say you're not sharp, you know.
Yeah, but you're not surprised. You're not surprised.
You shouldn't surprise. You shouldn't surprise.
I first shot that me getting on my life, dog.
Yeah.
Woman deadly, dog. You say, yo, them woman them body of fuck.
Yeah, what? Yo, dog, let me tell you something. Woman better than we, you know.
Yeah.
No, woman better than we, you know. It's just that we were more likely to talk about how we bad, you know. Them not talk about how them bad, you know.
They want them with 10 man feed, they can they with 20.
Yeah, thank you. That's why I see some guy out there, nurse and a pet and powder and the deep in a love and all them something there and all them thing there. What the woman better than man, woman more terrible than man. By
far.
It's just that when them do them turbulence and whatever, them do it with a kind of velvet thing like them more smoother with them thing. You understand? Them more smoother with them thing and whatever.
I'm more smooth. I them I teach a woman me learn from, you know.
Cool, man. Thank you.
Woman me learn from.
Make them tell you that me say over here every day regularly. Enough of the thing them when them rate me for and I say, Raga, rate. Me say, woman, me learn them something from.
What a Raga? I mean, I in Raga. America, me there. Since me come America, I want different college. It's a different woman college.
Yes.
Let me tell you that.
Yeah.
Them woman here different.
Now, what you mean though? Like the woman college
University. Mr. Raga, Mr.
No, me not. But you mean you talk about Jamaican woman or you said woman them, the foreign woman them?
Woman in general, but me I tell you them a woman them a university American woman. Cause you see when it come into to drama.
No, me not talk about drama. Me talk about generalship and whatever. You think the American woman are more general than Jamaican woman?
We are talk about, man. No, one we are there with you.
No, me not agree with that. Me not agree with that. Me not agree with that.
This woman.
You ever meet one girl named you ever meet one girl who we call 23, she 33 now. You ever meet her yet? Anyway, go on.
No.
Yeah.
Me have a woman who used to deal with over, you see?
Yeah.
I stood up on the next block.
No, yeah, you did that drive. You did cut off a while ago, so start again, yeah.
Oh, I said the girl said she go tell him man in the house, you know.
Yeah.
Dinner for step picnic them, you know. And he tell him man say I go run next door white block. By store, right?
Yeah.
And when the man come out that door, the girl, the in my car, a voice.
And people, when them say vice, you don't know what I mean by that. Good. Anyway, go and talk. Yeah.
The girl in my car, a voice, and the man come out and look for him.
Yeah.
And when the man stays a boom and call him phone, he must say, yo, me have to go away now, you know. Him wait till the man go in at the house, him go over the car, can see across the street and see what go on.
Yeah.
Yes, me say, boom, dog.
One time, the other time, she just a suck off your thing and then she go over
Yeah,
there.
I'm gonna kiss up back the
A
man.
beer kiss to him and thing. I hope she did at least put in a little TikTok or something before she...
Oh, God, dog, me yo.
I hope she put in something like a little mental or something before she go kiss him.
Brother, me no want, as long as me there, so bro, me no want no American woman for chat to.
No, here where me I said to you now. Here where me I said to you, me a reason now, all right. You see, if you want to know how woman really stay, or if woman want to know how man really stay, you, the woman, just be a side woman and juggle with man for a while. A man, you just be a bonner man for a while. And me I tell you now, me I tell you about my mother name, Miss Cherry name, right? For a long while, me was a bonner man and me did love it. Me did just want to be a bonner man. And when me a bonner man, I that's me humble myself and say me would never ever again think say me know the road code better than woman. Here? Right? When me a bonner man and I juggle with the woman them and me see what woman move and all them crafty and whatever. Right? Cause me and them they on the same page now, you know, and original them man and whatever this and
Yeah.
let me tell you something. Them me know it's a foreign woman them deadly, you know, and whatever and them thing and whatever and them crazy and whatever and them know them and burning guan and whatever. But none of them no good like Caribbean woman and African woman them. Me I tell you that here. Them not good like Caribbean woman. Jamaican woman them when it comes to
Caribbean woman they hotter.
you know, man, when it comes to generalship, man, and Nancy is him, man, I want me to you, man. Jamaican woman, them they on another level with that, man. Hey, some things I see Jamaican woman do and whatever, you know. Hey, yeah, a woman all a boner, man, you know. She a boner. You know, so she listen to this show. And that man listen to this show, so. No, you never invite me, you know, but me no want them go, you know, go here or whatever, this and that. You know. No, but me know a woman all a boner, man, you know. You know that's something that where woman like start a drama with you and whatever when them a do something.
Mm-hmm.
You know that thing that when them start a drama with you when them a do something. You know about that something there, right?
Whole heap of it make you feel guilty and you feel them are sorry for what you not do.
Yeah, and think when them a do something and it's for senior white. No, that is not a good example. Let me tell no man, Jamaican woman them just crafty when them a do original shit, man, or whatever. Right? The best way to do you know how me get to catch woman and all them something and whatever. Me learn from woman. And you see what woman do when them a catch man and whatever, and them a find out what the man them do and all them thing there. The real smart one them, the real clever one them, if them find out something, them not talk right away. If them find out something, it's time for investigation for them and them start bringing them in and them a check out this and check out that and check out this and check out that. And a woman may say do that. And I saw me start do that. And that is the only way I could have get by back in the day when me on the road and could have find out certain things on woman and whatever. Car me I use the same woman technique. And like me, we see I look for them move and me say, all right, then learn from the woman them. Don't while her. And then you farm fool for catch wise, you know, because you go and like she get over upon you, you play the script, you know. When she send you wide, you just follow it and think that time you watch her go on. But a woman me learn that from, right? But when me I say, if I never fit that, outside of that, whatever, me would have get beaten left, right, and center too. Jamaican woman and Caribbean woman, and when I say Caribbean, I mean Caribbean woman too, you know, like you see all them Guyanese there. The Bahamas woman, the Bahamas woman, the Bayesian woman, them no fat.
Yeah, Cayman woman them.
The Bayesian woman, them no good planet, them no fat. You see the Guyanese woman, them, the Trinidad woman, them, the Jamaican woman, them, who the Antigua and whatever. And Bahamas to whatever. I be a general them man, I them know craft and whatever man. I them know craft and if them the one you know something you nah know. You nah know. And them know if cover them tracks, them know if do them thing, them know if send you away. Hey, alright, let me get you. I can't tell you this. You're familiar with New Kingston and you know where Jamrock did there, which part Juicy Beef there, right?
Yeah.
Them used to have one Friday something there. I think there every Friday night, right? I'm a brethren Rodney from RGR, who know Rodney who used to host Uncensored Pod, Fame FM and thing. He used to host it and thing or whatever. So I used to go over there and thing and support Rodney and thing. And me have a sister, you know. And me and her go over there one night and thing or whatever. I swear to God, 4 man who she there with at the time, a 4 man she have, you know, and the 4 of them in there, you know. You know, done this so. You know,
and nobody don't know.
One of them, man, not only, none of them don't know, you know, say, at certain point of the night, each of the 4 man them interact with me. And each of the 4 man make statements to me where essentially I say, Raga, I look them and look it, you know, but me I kill it, you know, but them don't know it. You don't know how to do a thing, though. You don't know how to do a thing. I mean, I say, are you a beat it? Yeah, man, me I kill it, man, but you don't know. But each of them at some point a signal to me say them I kill it and the other 3 don't know, you know.
Yeah.
Which mean I she run the whole of them head, you know.
Easy.
Inside of the one place them there in another place and never big, you know. When me I tell her say, yeah, and she just calm and smooth with it, you know. And she just own those 4 bitches. That's a fear bitch them, man. But she own them in a way where each one of them thinks that them are the man. Right? Each one of them thinks that them are the star boy. So it take a certain skill and application of certain skills and principles and whatever for manipulate and control man them way there, you know. And you can't just calmly their own 4 man and you know how much time me I jump up in a woman belly and their own man and watch them a flow and whatever nobody don't know. They look like you can get cut off again. Yeah, look like a general get cut off. Me no know, me no meeting up. The only place me go, I see woman, the only people that me go around, I see like say them woman, genuine them woman are crafty like Caribbean woman. As some African, when I say African, me mean like Nigerian, Ghanaian, and you know. Yeah, and I see some craft runner. I say, no, genuine coming like I Caribbean this, you know, but me no know. Me there far no long and whatever. And I mean, no for man who are general from different background and thing, but I want to tell you, you know, you have one group, you know, someone probably would never know, you know, but I hope you may come know, you know. And it probably not gonna make sense to someone. You know. People here say Irish woman. But I don't know if you don't know about that something there, you know. But people from Irish descent, or if you come from Ireland or whatever, you see them woman there? Wombat. Hold on. I don't know if anybody know Irish woman, you know, I think or whatever, but them crafty man. Yes, my general, yeah, you cut off. Mm-hmm.
Chop out the line.
Yeah.
No. Let me show you a similar incident like that happened to me. You know, say, I have, before I come up here still, my wife used to come to Jamaica. When she come to Jamaica, I used to have this girl in me a Ph.D. But she know about my wife.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? And she have her man, you know, but her man live with her man, just go spend time and go back in yard. When my wife come, she have to just stay aside. When female man come, me have to just mucho.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, it happens until me and the man turn best friend. You hear me I say?
Yeah.
Me and him used to play domino every night and we are best party. And everybody know.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody know except him. And as in gone, and me live in no brother.
Yes, see. Yeah. And post gone rat take charge.
Up to this day. Never.
Up to this day. See it there? See it there? All right, let me tell you a
Never.
regular thing that you see that statement there where we have what we call under my nose, where we
Yeah.
Jamaicans say under my nose, it happen right. Women, them eye things, you know. But even though them eye things, them also know the principle of the best place to hide something is where people think that nobody would ever hide something, which is in the open.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Which is in the open and
Right
you
here.
govern your thing and whatever. You understand? You hear me, I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. Me I wind up in a woman and her husband call her, man, and when she attack to him and thing and then and whatever this and that, and when she done me, the husband a ball on the phone who him love her and what him gonna do with her, whatever. That time me up in her and whatever. Just all them something. When woman set their mind to do something and whatever this and that, you can't go around them. If a woman know why you know something, she you nah know. You nah know. You just have to find out, look at code and pay attention. Like, you say, like, for example, you see, if at certain point, when if you lead, or you win an argument, if them go start ball this up, dead giveaway, for example. Dead giveaway.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If the woman, if she's strong and composed and confident, in the argument, right through. And I hold it with you and I argue with you
if
and whatever.
If you start ball before me a ball, me a overcover feel, me a ball out loud to and fling down me say, you win. Me, no win me. I'm hold it.
Me not ball,
If me a ball, me I'm have to hold it to the team. Where my ball for? Where my ball? Me can't ball more on him.
Yeah, no.
Me have to hold that.
Nah, man. Me will kick back, man, and watch when she start, man. Me I say, yes, have her. Me not even say nothing to her. Me just have her and make she ball and thing. Because the balling very often is to regain power, and for change the dynamic and change the leverage
Me
of
want
the thing.
it.
Right? So any woman who you see ball pan Q and thing, and them the original, man.
Hey.
Right.
Raga, me original link. Anytime for me woman I tell me say, boy, you know, say we now go no further with it. Me, a ball, me start ball. Relationship have been fixed. Me.
You see,
Balling.
listen to me, I know. Let me tell you some of the thing. You see, a woman kick off with something like, you see, if you go to her and she, you see, if she get quiet, you see if that woman they get quiet and say, yeah, I would them tell you now. I would them out there tell you now. I would them tell you, sir. That is a general woman right there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Which is different from like, what are you talking about? I was so and she explained, I said right away and whatever. Anytime you're a woman come up in some kind of confrontation, whatever, and her posture is to do something or behave in a way to make you say first what she wants to know what you think you know first. Which basically is a that's up me I go talk from because me not go talk from me not want to talk when me not to talk because me don't know what you know yet. So anytime you see a woman get quiet, for example, and I disarm me and be like, me don't know what am I say? What them out there say about you? She say, I don't know what you want me to say. Anytime you see a woman a go on so with them something, she'll make you for come out with where you want to come out. She'll play the game and I do look a victim. And then look at manipulation. The general woman them.
You want to hear them and say, babes, they know the truth already, you know, but hear it, babes. Listen.
Yeah.
You talk to me now, tell me truth. Me not gonna get mad, but just tell me truth. Alright, babes. You know, say, I true you talk, say, but before, you really go fuck the girl! Really?
I that them do forget if you talk the truth. No?
Then just come down nice and easy to you.
Yeah.
And win you.
And
yes.
this time, me
love
them
me,
style.
and me love you. Just tell me the truth and make me get it over with. Nobody tell me no lie. Cause if me find out you lie, tell them I convince you, you know.
Yeah.
If me find out you lie, tell me. May you don't say, but you tell me the truth.
Man, I better tell me the truth and thing and we're good and this after.
Yes, me just fix it now.
Right. And
once
then
you let me up your mouth and go say, yes, Lord
yes,
God.
we
Done!
Me hate you.
Me don't know what me this scene of you! You drunk up! Keisha did tell me some music
Yeah,
man, you don't tell me some
it's always one of them. You know, Keisha did tell me something of a chat, you know.
You don't tell me
Yeah.
need listen!
You see the day when you give me the piece of melon and you take a bite back piece side thing. Carly tell me say I'm bad, so you don't go dirty. I hate it like I do some poison. Go from me, man, don't touch me, man. Chop you, me say, what,
I
spit
see
it on your
how
feet.
she live!
You know what you see here. That's what them talk. But, well, I know, but y'all have woman, we do that, you know. And them among you too, you know.
What?
Yeah.
Them know that, but they just want to sit for wall against you.
Yeah. But that card the way you do, me not fall for that. Well, you see, no, at my stage of my life or whatever, if me a juggling me, but just keep it 100, you know. It's either you work with it or you not work with it. Me ain't in them games there
And
anymore.
keep it moving.
Yeah. It's either me say, yo, so my thing set here, you know, boom, bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. You juggle, you know, juggle fine, you know. No one pum pum,
Yeah,
we can't get pum pum. But when me I say back in the day, when me I move them way there, see, me never fall for that, man. Me never fall for that. You can't come soften me up and then make me go say, all right, me go tell you the truth and think or whatever. Them sykes, they never.
It's tough, Raga.
Yeah.
Me pass my stage, man.
Yeah, nah, them thing there. I don't know. I mean, when I find that people in my age group, them not care for them games anymore. You know, them not care for them games anymore. It don't matter. You know, it's just, them just tell the truth. It's either you work with it or you work. We're good, you know. Boom, boom, boom. You know. So,
Yeah, me a second young man now. Me love woman, but me not too walky. Me alright.
Yeah.
Me a stay in my lane.
But back in them days, man, the game, you know, it's fun moments, you know.
Wild.
Fun moments, you know. Fun moments, you know.
Hey, back in the days when me did have woman, me have one will link me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday till me start see all them a come. Two of them feel one day. Me call the one day Sunday, and the next one me call him Sunday. And you have Monday, and the next one me a come near Monday.
So we're all one near Monday.
I
What
do road
that
now
mean?
for me yard in a Raga. Monday mean it girl will come after Monday.
Oh, so Monday come after Monday.
Means one coming in the morning and one coming in the evening. Yeah, the one will spend the day and the one will sleep over.
No, well, you say all that. No, tell me how you used to juggle that. Because back in the days, you know, when I do road, you know, me did have a rule, you know. Don't make daylight. If you make daylight catch a woman in your yard and whatever, problem that, you know. So my reasoning was subliminally, once a woman...
no clothes on him come, underpants and marina kill.
No, my reasoning was subliminally, once you make a woman know she have to leave before daylight out, she less likely to try to test you and pass certain and cross certain line with you. You understand what I'm saying? So me did have a little thing where say, certain woman no forget patio ratings or veranda ratings. She no forget window ratings. If she in the house, she no forget go out the window. Don't go out the window.
Yes.
or if she come home and whatever. And when at 4 o'clock, so I can't stay till no. You did have one time. You got to go because anyway you make she stay, you know, it's cool, you know. But in a fear mind, she sleep over. And woman juggle different, man. Woman juggle different when them sleep over your yard and whatever. Them just feel so them ratings depend on another level. You understand? Yeah. Or if woman come at your yard and can come stand up at your gate and look out. Now make them do it, man. If I know this, don't make them do it. It'll be a problem you got have and whatever. If you make a woman go at your yard and go stand up at your gate to talk to all neighbors and all them something, they and play with the dog them from next door and all them. So me never joined that something. You did have one taxi company named On Time Taxi. I don't know if you know what a taxi company. The guy can get cut off again. You know one taxi company named On Time Taxi. Who know about a taxi company there at Jamaica? Let me see if anybody know about On Time Taxi. Yeah, man. So when me did a while, you know. Yeah, man, me call, man, and after a while, Then I answer, you know, and then I say, hello, good night, on time taxi, good night. And I say, greetings. Oh, Raga, oh, I hear a thing now? Yeah, man, we have somebody there before 4 o'clock. Yeah, man. We know ain't gonna Raga, we have somebody there before. Now we make sure it's the daylight to catch her, man. We send one, we send over a taxi fee or whatever, man. Oh, no giant, that's something there. And ladies, I don't want to feel no way and go let's look on it now and go say this and that, you know, because remember I say, only there are phone rules too and only there are while out, you know. Yeah, I want to keep the man them within the boundaries with phone rule. So all I want, we are talking about back in the idea. Because I know say someone I want to love listen and judge. I want to have this thing I want to forget, so I want to used to go on with phone generalship too. Most I want a woman right here now. Most I want a woman who I watch right here now. Wanna sleep with some man and thing, wanna go and like wanna forget about them and thing, but wanna forget about them, but wanna go and like wanna forget about them, I wanna go on with some things with them and whatever way, you know. Wanna do ever too proud and whatever, but wanna go and we look at thing back in the idea and whatever. All I wanna, right? So nobody come go and like wanna want come judge you now. We just a reason kind of dip on the show and all them something there. What you say, G? Yo, sir.
Yeah, me there, man.
I was cool, man. You know, me just kind of preempt them for no car. You know, some of them must start. People have a way to start judge and forget when time. I'm going to use a phrase, but it's not meant to be discriminatory. But, you know,
Yeah.
the ladies, you know, I'm going to go through phone and look a whole phase, you know. Look a whole phase and thing. And I only know enough thing what the world don't know and whatever. But so but I want like when I want to come judge and thing. Yeah. So we men, we go through our little thing too and we are cool right now.
Them go through terrible phase and what we go through do.
What you mean? What you mean?
Terrible.
What you mean? What you mean?
Terrible. Cause you have all woman when they stay so boom and them a bounce 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, seeing you like a man.
Exactly.
Whole heap of woman.
Exactly.
Whole heap.
But they see the difference. We would say we have 3 women in or 4 women or whatever, you know. When you talk to women, you know, them have 4 or 5 men, you know. But when you talk to them, you know, and a 4 or 5 man, them have, you know. They play these little semantic games like them that say like somebody say your man that and whatever. Yeah, no, we just talk to him. We just talk.
No, my friend.
Yeah, we just talk, you know. Somebody say you just talk to him like, yeah, me and him talk. Yeah, we talk, you know. But
I'm the best.
Okay, so you and him not there. And it's just all ambiguity when woman like we would just say, yeah, man, I'm a kid, you know, or whatever, you know, like, you know, when man attack, you know. But women will say something like, so yes, like you and him do it or whatever, like him jump up in your belly and thing. I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't put it that weird. Them always have a fix up the thing and a mole up a thing for say them not really do the thing. You see what I say?
Now, Wally.
Yeah. When I say a word, man, big up yourself, you know, I love your energy, my general. Do please call again, you know, because you have a vibe. That's what I say?
All right, my boss. Man has a respect.
Yeah, man. Protection, man.
Yeah, cool. Man. Definitely.
Now, people, me not lie, we live in the age of social media, so we are privy to so much of what goes on amongst different groups of people. And one of the things that all these shows do is, in my opinion, BS-Pan snapped. You know snapped, right? BS-Pan, Deadly Woman, and what. These shows have helped us to really come to terms with, like, yo, women are just as cold as men are, if not even worse. And BS-Pan, when me learn about, yo, me used to think, say, you know, it's just almost an automatic thing from woman that them support woman, you know. Me not think so anymore, you know. No, me not think so anymore. In fact, I am at the point right now when it is just my opinion that some of the wickedest people to women, you know, are women, you know. Me know say you have some wicked evil man do some woman, some wicked thing throughout history, right? But me get older now and we learn up the something them and whatever, man. Yo, when woman go for wicked to woman, I know nothing normal, you know. When woman go for evil against another woman, particularly in the like the little sneaking, bad mind, conniving, behind your back type of thing. I don't know nothing normal, you know. You know how much time, how many times on a situation where woman have them bestie, them charge, who them ball with, who them cry with, whatever, and the whole time them a grind after them friend man and the man don't know. How many times on this? Yo, we men, we not, a man we sleep with our next man, woman, you know. But him not do them something there. Him not do them something there. Him not ball with her and ball with him brethren and you know, just engage in a kind of deception where make it when you look back, you say, so what all them time then when we did a cry together and we eat food together, and all them time then when she called me, I said, my girl, my sis, are you okay? I'm coming over right now. All them time that she did a grind off. We men, we not do them something there. We men, we not do them something there. No, men do it too. No, we not steer them way there. In general, me nah say man nah go sleep with them friend woman, you know. Yeah, enough man will do them something. But me I say the way a woman do it, in a kind of conniving and insidious, manipulative in your face, and then when they get catch, you know. This is a woman thing, you know. When woman get catch, I do some wicked evil thing, you know, to them friend, you know. Them always act like say them are the victim, you know. Man, I really do them something, you know. Them always start balling and say, I didn't mean to. And them all throw the man under the bus and think, I love you and you were always there for me. A evil, wicked woman, them there, you know. Any woman, we all have our best friend for all 10 years and they are grinding off our friend man the whole time and whatever. And then when it come final, at that time she start ball, the balling start come now. And I thought about, you know, this was rough for her and she did tough. Then anybody who talks so and behave them way, they're wicked woman them there, right? And most men not steer so. Even when them are going on with them wickedness, them not steer so, right? And when we observe them look at thing they out there, whatever. Boy, woman wicked to woman, that me believe, you know. A man when you know, a man and a man who warn and go bust 2 shots by him and tell him for foolishness and whatever. But me I tell you, when it come to that little sneaking type of something there, that little bad mind, covetousness type of thing there and whatever, and the way a woman do it to women, man, I want different something, man. That is just my opinion. We can agree or disagree, but it's okay, you know. Yeah, I'm ball. So them never mean for do this and them never mean for do that and rate it. My eyes melt out in my belly. Yo.
Raga. Wagwan. You know, easy, you know.
I want the link, you know.
Yo, right now, I laugh at myself. Because I think about when I go tell you, say, and I laugh already.
Send it on, man. Right away. Jig
all right, Raga.
Yeah.
Woman devious. Trust me. And me have a little experience, so me I go share it to you. Raga, you know, say, me then at the UK, yeah. I go through all the troubles and trial. Me all right now. Me I'm looking one place now. Raga, you can imagine me just come from detention center. I try focus, you know what I mean, for free up myself and me live with my niece at the moment when me release. Because I don't know where to go in it. So I go live with my niece. All right then. My niece, she have a whole heap of gathering. Woman and man, and you have one guy there, think of him run the pack, the wolf pack. Him living at my niece house.
Yeah.
Me just come out. I try bill again. I set him asleep in my living room. Them come, them party, where. But you know when I'm a party, I go drop asleep and I set him and turn me back and think. Raga, when me realize, you see, woman, nice woman, the governor for the pack of the wolf.
Yeah.
Yeah, them live there. Watch this now. Me, Me just come from detention. I no mind have some nookie as well myself. So, So when me wake up, a police a wake me up, Raga.
For
When somebody a touch me, a police a wake me up in the middle of the night. So when the police a wake me up and then can't say something, just wake up because party that go on over my head. Them a drink and them a play music, but for some reason me fell asleep because I know my style that with them people. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
Anyway.
Right.
Everybody gone. When we realize one woman left in the house with me.
Yeah.
And that's the leader of the pack of the wolves.
Yeah.
Because they claim them a bad boy, then run the street, everything.
Yeah.
But because, you know what, I say I don't want that trouble upon me hand at the moment to go around in the next room. Come in the living room.
Yeah.
And she in a little bedroom. So I say me I keep myself to myself. Because I don't wake up already, innit? So I just there and like, everybody gone. Police take my niece away. She was drunk, craziness, madness. Everybody who run out of the house when they hear the police are come. So the house empty,
but tell me what happened, you know, you give me preliminary information now, but tell me what happened? What happened?
I'm coming to the conclusion. Yeah, give me just give me a chance. We're not rushing to the Raga slowly, you know.
Everything what you tell me, you just you set the context, but we're not
yes, I'm filling you in, guys, the context. All right, then, me in the living room, like, okay, everybody gone. Then, suddenly, we see this beautiful girl, Asian girl, beautiful, but British girl. And I know her, you know what I mean? And I know that's his girl, the leader of the pack of the wolf. Okay. I like, she come on with a buckle of Hennessy like, oh, Albert, you want to have a drink with me?
Yeah.
She like the link, you want to have a drink with me? But she call Ali, she call me Alberti. You want to, yeah, okay, yeah. She said, come in the bedroom. Yeah. This is how I'm telling you, woman is devious. Okay, fair enough. I come in there, me and her alone in the house. Okay, having a drink. Then, I see she I sit on the bed, because it's a single room. She sit on the bed, me sit on the bed. I see she fling the foot over my foot. And I look like, you know what? I don't run them joke. And as soon as she do that, that's where it get off. Everything just get out of hand.
What happened?
Well, the usual, innit? Oh,
you do it?
Yes, obviously.
Okay, was it good?
Nice. Everything.
Yeah.
Icicle and, you know what I mean, everything prickle.
All right, then. So, no, do it.
You understand?
Right. And so, what was the mix-up now after that?
All right, what's the mix-up now? You know when me finish in the morning and like, she like, you know what, about 9 o'clock in the morning, she like, oh, please, I'm begging you. You can't make it no. He's going to kill me. If he ever know, he's going to kill me. I said, no problem. I go back in the living room and I heard nothing. I heard no noise, no sound, nothing. I go back and I chill. And in the next 2 hours, I go back inside there again. And she was like, are you ready again? And I'm like, what do you mean? Because, all right, here the mix up now. While I was there in the room when we was drinking and sipping on the Hennessy, her boy was calling her, okay?
Yeah.
He was calling her and he was having a go at her. He was having a cussing her out. You stinking, you da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-ba-ba-ba. For some reason, I don't know, and she was like, Albert, you see how he's treated me. You see what he's talking, what he's saying to me. And I guess that's the the time when she just fling her foot over my foot. And like, you understand? So from there, anyway, in the morning now, when I went and I have a look at hour or 2 sleep, I wake up in the morning, no one was there. She was still in the bedroom. So, as a man, I step back again and I move in the bedroom again.
Yeah.
And I do my thing again. But Same time I'm trying to do my thing. I hear the door banging because he didn't got no key. Me hear the door bang. He never have no key, but by the time I
Where
could
the him?
like
Oh, this is our man.
yes, he might bang the door and come in about 12 in the afternoon. Me and I in the bedroom, so he come in about 12 in the afternoon. And he run up, yeah, he kick the door in. He come in drunk. Literally out of it.
One on. So where? When the police them did wake you up, at what time that was?
That was about 1 going 2 in the morning.
And why the police them did wake you?
Because the neighbors them say they was paying nice
Okay,
in the
so
flat.
so that never have nothing to do with the mix up then.
That never have nothing.
All right,
No,
so
no.
so all right then. So if we just kind of try to come here, about 10 million people over here so want come in now. So after him come in, you know, and think you put on 2 rounds per hour now. So what happened after that?
After that, actually, when he kick the door in, it's not like him come in, just kick the door in, you understand, and run up the stairs. He meant to come and smash her up. But when he come, me just coming through the bedroom. When him I run up the stairs, you get me?
Yeah.
So when him run up the stairs, him like, we are doing our bedroom. We're like, oh, listen. Literally, me just tell him like, yo, bro, you left your woman here, me get her, yo, me wake up and I'm here. So we expect, we have to look after her and make sure we know who is in the house. So literally, me just wake up, so me just go and figure out what go on at the house. You understand? And you know,
cover
she
your
come out
track.
and said,
Yeah, where she come? Where she say?
she come out and say, you know what? Actually, you know what? This he didn't even try to do nothing, and she was in a towel wrapped around her. You know what I mean?
Right.
He didn't try to do nothing. He just trying to look after to see who's in the house and all them shit. Yeah.
But yeah, what me I say, but I mean, we get the point. I'm gonna go to some other call now. But basically, I say she do her thing with you. Or you 2 round shell out and then right in front of you know, she tell him say, you know, do nothing right. So you basically I say woman have that something in them where them can bare face, do something and say them not do
Yeah,
it, right?
because me there listen to you. Me
Yeah.
there listen to you. I mean, hear all the talk, you know, how woman can, you know what I mean, do them thing. All right, then, brother.
All right, not say a word, man. Respect,
I just
man.
an experience, so we just let off the steam, yeah.
It got some man, all right? Blessings, man.
Yeah, blessing.
Oh, man, I bring in some money, you know, so man, I say, I'm bringing Milo. Yo, Milo. Oh, okay. See, Milo, what go on?
Raga, what go on?
You
What go on?
You don't say you nah move right, Milo. Eh?
Boy, Raga.
Nah,
From the
but
last time we get that big something, boy, I hold it. Hey,
Woman, I
I
say-
hold it for people call me and I say,
nah, but when I say, look how much months pass and when I hear from you, Milo, you nah move right, you know. I want you go around the
no,
thing, you know,
I
G.
do the work, man.
All right, you know, say a word, man.
No, man. Well, me have a wicked one for you.
Make we hear it, no, Papa.
Me have a wicked one for you.
Yeah.
And this is not story.
Yeah,
This real.
mad.
All right. The embassy, right? You should work at the US embassy.
Wait, hold on. All who there, if you not follow me yet, follow me now. All I wanna who are watch right, you know, before Milo get mixed up. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. All I wanna who are watch and listen right, you know. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. If you not follow me, I gonna get Bigfoot and Boston. I joke me, I make, but follow me. Just follow me right now. Yeah, Milo, rinse. Milo drive too, you know, so.
Raga.
Yeah, man.
You
Yeah,
hear me?
Yeah, man. Yeah, wagwa.
Yeah, the reception kind of dropped a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So you get the 6 months one entry, Raga.
Yeah.
So anyway, go up in a New York and thing and visit and thing, Raga, and there. Check the old Mama Dukes and thing, you see me?
Yeah.
So, you know, my stepfather now, at the time, him carry me to one place named Coney Island.
Yeah.
A place named 33rd Neptune. A beach. You know that year of that, don't Raga?
Yeah, man. New York, yeah.
Yeah. So, you know, go there and thing and meet a little sister at the time and thing and there Raga. And me and the sister link up and thing. So, sister said, jump on the train and come check, my man. So, jump on the train and, you know, Pacola. Remember, Raga, I don't know this damn place, you know. Mm-hmm. But, you know, as them say, we don't think with the head. We think with the other head.
Yeah.
So, it feels good now. You know, see, Raga say, a little sister invite you to come to her place. Because she hear the thick Jamaican accent. Oh, I love that. You're from Jamaica, you know?
Yeah.
You know, see it. And them days, we don't know about now still, but them days one time when a yard man talk, man, woman kneel.
Yeah.
I look up to her as king.
Yeah.
You know? So anyway, they don't know Raga. And the sister invite me. I'm take the train, come and follow her instruction. Remember, you know, them days when you know, have no cellular phone, you know. I beep at them time there. I pay a job.
See.
So now Raga reach and thing and the chick come meet me and carry me upstairs. Now 33rd Neptune building them. It's like a projects, you know, but them building taller than the regular projects them in a New York, in a Brooklyn. You know, see. So they and kick back and things. So I did ask her if she live alone, if she have a man. She said no. You know? And I said, alright.
Yeah.
Go in a big apartment now. Remember saying Raga, a board house me live in Jamaica that time. Go in. So me don't even know say it's a project me now. Me just check a nice apartment and the building look nice and everybody seems to be nice.
Seeing.
You know, Raga.
Seeing.
Anyway, Raga, put on some work on it now and young stallion, you know, and man a work in a Raga.
Yeah.
And the sister like the work. So I start tell her, I say, no boy, right now, I go back home, because I have to go to work and and some barrel and thing, because I try now to bring back something for my local family, them now and thing. And you know, see, so she give me $700 US. And I say, I carry back this yard, you know, do local shopping and carry back at least 400. So anyway,
hold on, no man.
Eh?
After you jump up in her belly, she give you 7 bills?
Yes, man.
What?
You love the work.
You did go on good. You did go on good.
I want to hear Raga, man. Raga, man. Them days for Raga, man. Hey, Raga.
Yeah.
Hey, I thump me thump up belly, Raga. Yeah, Raga. I thump me thump up in them belly, Raga.
Yeah, stamp
I mean physical, you know. Make sure.
I know what you mean,
yes,
man. Yeah.
No man will them belly. Hey, Raga, hey.
Shift up some organs and all these things. Yeah. So you get.
What happened to you, man?
So you get your 7 bills now and thing.
Cramp up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and feel good and she carry me at the train and hold the train and go back and thing and come in. So, you know, use my mother phone and call her and she said, no man, come in man, what happened to you? And back on the train again, Raga. My mother that do me garden, brother. Raga. So, one day now, like the final, like someone I go fly out so next week, we are getting the final touch up, you know? And remember Keith Sweat music them.
Yeah, man.
And Bobby Brown music them time they are lick.
Well,
And
Keith Sweat especially. Keith Sweat, yeah.
Yeah, man. And Raga, me I tell you, say, beating and sweating and music. And I must never know rose and chocolate and them thing there, no, brother. And lie down for a silk sheet. Remember say, yeah, that be a blow out. Some look thin sheet that time there.
Yeah.
I know more than silk sheet.
Yeah. So when you come up with some 800 thread soft sheet to the pan and rose sprinkle upon the bed and all them some the chocolate. Why you live life,
hey,
you know,
Raga, you couldn't tell me some is not a king in a Raga.
Cool, man.
I
Yeah.
want to you, man. Raga, the woman give me a robe. The woman make me put on a nice robe, Raga. It feel good against my skin.
Yeah.
Raga, I'm living no so the woman man robe in a brother.
Yeah, she a wicked, but go and talk. Yeah, so how it go.
Anyway, in the morning now, what are the Raga, man? In the morning now, she get up and make some wicked breakfast, give me.
Chop on.
And then and thing. When I say breakfast, you know, egg and some long sausages and I say, no, I eat the sausage,
yeah,
but me do the egg. If you them sausage extra, just look. Yes. And then
so wait. Why you never eat?
and
Why you never eat this? Why you never eat the sausage? Eh?
No, because I remember them time it does come up here and them things that look weird, funny.
Wait,
you understand?
So
me?
what the sausage never
them,
look like
you know,
something for going in your mouth? No.
We are used to. No, sir.
Now, well, do me a favor. You listen to the show upon something else, you know. Like you hear it upon something else.
No, me have in an earpiece. Me have drive in an earphone.
Oh, okay. So you just never like... Now? Yeah, you just never like how the sausage looks. So you just say the sausage now going in your mouth. No, guy. You say you just come and foreign and never give them sausage there, that thing in a shape right. Now going in your mouth. No.
Right. Meats and them something them. Me never indulge. I mean, the smell of the cheese all upon the people. I say, how about that? And that's where that blow. See people are gobble it down, you know?
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, the joke now, Raga.
Yeah.
So, I'm on dead, you know, I feel like a king. I eat breakfast, a sup a cup of coffee, and we boom, 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 boom. So, I say, who that? I say, girlfriend, who that? And I see she kind of like the mood, the glamorous mood where she not in and no Raga.
Yeah, it gone. It gone.
You see her composure change. So me I say, she look, Raga, the woman look more scared.
Yeah.
The woman look more scared than me, Raga.
John.
So me I say, no man. So Raga me here, boom, 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 boom. So me I say, like you know, hear the person say, Michelle, pull the motherfucking door. So me I say, so pull it up. Yeah. Come in. Raga, you there?
Yeah, man, me there, man.
Raga.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
See? I go over the farm, so may I come? Yeah. So, me here, boom, boom, boom. Michelle, pull the fucking door.
Yeah.
No! You know, like a army command.
Yeah.
So,
Staff sergeant, yeah.
Cleat this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Raga, me know, me I say, when me here see the woman there, you know, and the woman start get nervous and I rub her hand. So me say, yo, what's up? Who that? Raga, when me hear the woman say, that's my fucking husband.
Right. And then what?
Raga, well, I'm a Raga, man. So, Raga, it's when me go at the people and look. The man muscle 3 times your muscle. The man big and thick.
John.
And the man have on a army blood clot suit, Raga. See?
Yeah.
So, me dead and me I say, oh, the blood cleat this for me, lad. when me get myself in, so anyway, me say, I run to the window, because I remember say, my mother building of a fire escape. Zine Raga?
Yeah.
Zine, so me, right there, so, me remember me ask mother whether step that from my mother said, no, that's the fire escape. Raga.
Milo, you break up, you know, you break up now, you know. Yeah.
God at the window there and look down, Raga, the people them look like ants. The fire escape on the other side, Raga. Raga, me I say, blood clean, judge you. And the man I leak the pull the fucking door.
Yeah.
Raga, me heart start beat. Raga, me not lie. Me pray to God. Me say, God, please don't make me dead. Because Raga, me know me can't fight that the man. And then Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, me never.
Hold
One knife, me I look all upon the
Milo, you break up, you know, you break up, you know. Me no know, you go somewhere which part you break up.
kitchen knife, but me I say, come like if me stab that the man, then the knife could all broke, cause the man well buff in a Raga.
Yeah, Milo, you hear me? Milo, you hear me?
Raga, me I say, the
Milo,
blood
Milo.
me have to get out of this.
Milo.
Let me see the woman.
Milo.
Yeah, the reception.
Milo,
Yeah,
no,
the
you
reception.
break up, you know, because we did that hear you good before, but no, we did that hear good before, but which part you go right, you know, you start break up now, you know. Me don't know if you could have go back where you did that before.
Yeah.
Also, you know?
Alright, you hear me now?
Yeah, right, yeah. We could see if we go. Yeah, go and talk now, yeah.
Yeah. So, Raga, when I see the woman start bawl,
Yeah.
cry, water. I
Mm.
saw the bumper cleat this for me, lad. I mean, I say, if I come all the way, I say, come dead. I mean, I say, my mother don't even know where me there blood clot, Raga. Raga,
Yeah.
me look through the window in Raga. Not like you can jump through the window and run down the street in Raga.
Yeah.
Raga, I start praying. Me not lie. That's why when a man I tell you about there is no God, I lie my blood cleat, tell Raga. I start talk to God quick and fast, Raga. I say, God, if you help me out of that one, I won't put myself back in that problem again.
Yeah.
Do God, me I beg you.
Yeah.
I come like when me I talk to God, you know.
Yeah.
God has said to me, my son, I will help you out this one, but the next one you go get fucked.
No, man, say you talk to God. Yeah, and then what happened after? What happened after that? What happened after that?
You know, for them do a jar in, right? Oh, we make our door where it come out.
Right.
Now, 9 out of 10 times, our house, our door a jar out.
Yeah.
For them do, majority of them apartment do a jar in.
Yeah.
So, when me tell the woman, I say, yo, I'm a signal to her, I go behind the door, I say, yo, just hug him up. And yo, this when the woman pull the blood cleat door, I'm a squeeze and the man come in. The man so big, Raga, he couldn't even see me. Raga, the man said, what the fuck take you so long to open that fucking door?
Mm-hmm.
So I was in the shower. I was of the fuck? I ain't feel you wet. My stomach was hurt and I was just on the toilet. Then I went to the shower, I heard you calling. I'm looking for the key to pull, because them have a deadlock, you know, where a key you have to use and pull that. So, me slide neatly out, Raga. Raga, me a blood cleat, tell you, say. It's where me reach my yard, Raga. My mother come in the room and say, oh, it's so quiet. You hear me say, Raga?
Yeah.
My mother offer me dinner. I mean, I eat the dinner, Raga.
No appetite.
Be quiet like church mouse, Raga. Hey, Raga, from that, me not go no woman yard unless it have to exit, Raga.
Boy, just not go woman yard at all, you know. For front you go for, you know.
Yo, me not do them something there again,
Yeah.
Raga. Years ago, me not do them thing. Raga, let me tell you something, man. Me, Raga, me know a friend we get caught in a woman house, Raga, and I throw the man through him through window. Lift him up and fling him through the window.
Yes,
And
it.
him some blood clean licking a Raga.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, man. Raga says certain things. Hey, Raga, let me tell you this. You see, woman game. And me tell you, when woman are work, you know, we think we can outsmart woman in a Raga.
Yeah.
But it's when woman are got to work, Raga.
Yeah.
Woman, you notice with we are do something and we just impulse and do it. It's when woman are do it, Raga, woman just sit down, you know, and calculate.
Yeah, man, match it out first.
Every and plan out her escape route. She plan her lie. She plan how her girlfriend go answer, where her girlfriend go say.
Exactly.
Because she don't study you in a Raga.
She
study, you not study she, you know.
See it there.
But she study you. She study every movement. She study where you like. She study where you like to sit down and watch football. And she just wait till all the day when all the match are go on. And tell us, babes, I'm going to do my ear over by so I said, could you drop me over our house? And you care over there, you know.
No, but that time you glad. No, that time you glad to go to match, you know, man. And she knows say you go glad to go watch a match.
Manners, yes.
You understand? Yeah. I saw them match out them thing, man. Nothing no spontaneous, them plan it, man.
Yeah, hey, Raga, man, let me tell you something. God make one of the best creature on earth, man. And let me tell you where girl picnic start from. You see, when them grow up, them try you as a I see you as a parents, them try you. Them are, if them can't get something, them rolling at the dirt. More majority of the time, girl picnic. Them rolling at the dirt, brother. And if you give in, right, they say if you give in, I say, oh, okay, give it to her. Raga, she got you.
She get you right. That's she have the script.
She got you right.
Yeah. Milo, let me chat to some other. Milo, let me chat to some other people and things. So, but voila, you didn't go back. You never go back.
Yeah, man.
Take none from her. Hey, Milo.
Yeah, man, no blood creek, Raga, man. Me catch my cord, Raga.
Okay, you
no
go back there. So see it. It's not worth it, man. That the man the whole them would have pop your ass, you know, man. Anyway, Milo, big up yourself.
Hey, Raga, man, may I tell you, say, big up.
All right, man. I say a word, man. Cool. Milo, they on the road. I make movements and all these things, you know. And things, see. Watch your right. And what time of night, you know. Well, big up all the people and we're going to eat up on the Thanksgiving food tomorrow, you know. Greetings, hello. Good night. Good night. No one a pee a pipe. And person take down himself. I see if I pee them a pee, you know. Alice McIntosh, big up, you know. Nikki, Uberman, me see you know. Hello. 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 All right, we ain't that gazing thing, you know. Who now come up. I go down the line. People up in our chat, you know, so we don't have time for waste. People there. All right. People are there. Any mix up on have, and just come in with it. You know.
What's up, my friend?
Wagwan, woman.
My one not really at, but you talked about kiss earlier.
Mm-hmm.
I know this woman, she's married for must say 40 years.
Yeah.
I think her last year her husband dead.
Yeah.
She said she have not kissed her husband in 20 years. So I said to her, I said, what do you mean by? And I said, like, are y'all estranged? She said, no, we live in the same house, everything.
Mm-hmm.
She haven't kissed him in 20 years because he refused to go to the dentist.
Oh.
You ever hear nothing like that?
Yeah.
20 years, you know?
Yeah. No, that I hate to say it, but it's not uncommon. And sadly, it's the gender configuration is just the way it's always the man them have a problem with them on, and the woman. Rarely is the woman, it's on the other. It's always that, you know.
So me ask her, like, you know, what caused this? Like, is this a eventual thing? Like, did he not have insurance, or he did have a traumatic experience? No, I really want to know. Did he have a traumatic experience? Like, what could have really caused him to just stop go as after 20 years him not got a dentist? She said, I don't know, but his mouth can't touch no part of me. And she said 20 years. She said, and he was a firefighter, so he had insurance. That's the last thing she told me. He had
So
insurance.
you never ask her if them did do it, if them still do it.
The woman said when she made the talk, remember, she's a big woman, so more have little respect. She said his
Yeah.
mouth can't go on no part of she. That's what she said.
Yeah, but
When she said his mouth can't go on no part of she, me just assume say
no
something
do.
a go on, you know, something a go on, but no little choppings are go on
No
down there, so. Yeah.
no mouth, not like romantic. No, well,
Yeah.
nothing romantically. Nothing romantically.
Yeah. And if something go on, if I something go on, me I figure say like,
Yeah.
you know, little backers are, you
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
or cause
yeah.
me can't see you do mama and papa and the person just a look, why me don't know. But she said 20 years and he died last year. And my mother make a joke to the woman and say, him dopey I go come meet you in your sleep and get one big wet one.
No, but you know, sadly, you have a lot of unions like that, you know, where people them just reach a point where, based on certain dynamics, is like, no, them not gonna left them husband, them not gonna left them man. Them might just stay night, no, cause them not go then they go start over again and
Yeah, because they was
certain
together
things
for
in
40
play.
years.
Yeah, so them just stay together and you have an unhappy situation, you have an uncomfortable situation, such as this case where this man I just not take care of him out at all, not go to dentist, nothing like that. And them just work with it as best them can. Some people just don't do anything either, you know. Just stay in a relationship and not do nothing.
So what is that now?
You have a lot of relationship like that, you know,
I
them
know.
not come out, you know, you have people who them not do not know with them husband and them wife for 10, 12 years.
And then hear them say it's cheaper to keep her.
Exactly. And it's more convenient. And some people just can't even bother to go back out there in that world, right? You know. So them just kind of work with it as best them go. Some women in that situation, them do without. Some women just help themselves. And then others, them have them little thing where them go on with on the side, you know. And thing, whatever.
Years.
So what I don't know. So here's a question now. Because this is important. So she said 20 years, him not go to the dentist. And that she said, was anything wrong with him mouth?
She said him say him no want go. Him no want go. She a go every day and him no want go.
No, hold on. Fine if you go. People go.
To answer your question, I don't know. When I asked her what could have caused him to stop go, I never got a straight answer. The response
because if
was
him have
along
a problem
the line
with him
of
mouth and him not go to the dentist, they will understand if him have a,
right, like if him have
problem, rotten
yeah,
teeth, some gum issue and whatever. But I'm going to say something and someone are uncomfortable with him. It is not unusual for people from Caribbean descent who not grew up with a dentist, something like that. Them get up and them brush them teeth every day and whatever. Them not have no reason for go dentist.
Listen, I know a man will come up here my age. And when them did their yard, you go dentist when you have toothache.
Yeah.
You not go dentist for cleaning. You not go dentist for regular check, X-ray them. So, no, you go when you have a toothache
No,
or
when
a
I
tooth need to pull.
when I was growing up, nobody in my community got a dentist. When your
I
teeth
believe
are
you.
shake, you tie one string around it and you
Tie
draw it
string.
out. You
Would
think
you
I do
believe
that?
I saw me take listen,
Yeah.
I saw my two front teeth them come out, you know?
Yeah, that is right. We're not go
My
dentist.
sister take this string. My sister take this string. My sister take this string and put on the teeth and I'll shut the door, make it pull out.
Right. No, but what I'm saying is, me see some people who no grow so, them adapt that standard and me not gonna knock them. There's some standards me adapt with. Then me you hear me say woman
Yeah,
for
yeah,
shave.
yeah.
You hear me say woman for shave. I have some woman and me not shave. Woman for shave. Now,
Woman
is
for
that an
shave.
American thing? Is that American thing or that? Yeah. It is an American thing where me can't me adapt it and me can't me don't go around it. But what me I say is for many of us growing up, which why we grew up and thing, it wasn't even part of our existence. It wasn't a part of our socio-cultural reality. We say go dentist. We're not go dentist, you know. When you're too, is always homemade remedy, lime and salt, put this and that in it and thing.
Our
But
clove.
our clove or something or whatever. And then yeah, you have people who go dentist when you know the whole wisdom tooth thing and you know the filling was a big thing for we when we are go up to or whatever. But that was done through schools too and them something. But the point I'm making, this thing what we have in America, but you know you go to dentist and you get your regular checkup and your cleaning and thing. Most Jamaicans, you know, we weren't raised that way.
Up here, so we do more with our mouth, so we have to go dentist more frequent. We mouth busy, sir.
No, man, you have a point there. You have a point there. You have a
And we are
point there.
consume some sitting.
Yeah,
So for mouth too
yeah,
busy, I forgot that
yeah,
the doctor have to see we.
yeah. Since the mouth is so much more active, you know, then the mouth should be taken care of so much more. I agree.
Under observation, yes, correct.
Yeah. All right, man, I show you a thing, you know. You see this thing with flossing? I know it's a deal breaker for a lot of people, you know.
Me?
No, I know. A lot of Jamaicans. No, you know, like somebody who say like you have an email and them said, no, I've never had an email, and you look on the person like, what kind of dinosaur you are? You don't have an email. I notice it's the same thing with flossing now, you know.
This guy said to me, say, hear him, if me I brush my teeth good, what me need for floss for? Me say, your mouth still stay away, you know. And
No,
him
but
like, he looked at
there's
me
a lot of
genuinely
people.
confused. He was so
No,
confused when
but there's a lot of people get up and brush them teeth every day, but them just never grew with a flossing something there.
you got to floss, guys. The cavities is coming from the flossing. I'm not gonna lie. My dentist even made the joke to me. He said, "Listen, if you had to choose between brushing and flossing, I'm gonna
Better you
tell you
floss.
as a dentist, I better you floss."
Better you floss, yeah.
He said, like, no joke, because everything when you brush, he said, a lot of the time when you brush and you don't floss, the leftover sitting that was on your front and behind your teeth, they're going in between the teeth. So that's why you need to floss. But yeah, you're right. A lot of people, if you're not grow used to it, we're not gonna knock your feet, but there's certain things I will say you will see growing up in Jamaica and you come to another country. It doesn't have to be US. They probably do stuff in UK where me never see or me not used to. And maybe the people them
Yeah,
come from
and
Jamaica
the
and go live
point
there,
is,
so.
yeah, the point is to each his own. I mean, like I said, some people not grow up with a flossing, and but I understand how somebody would be like, yo, I don't know me with you if you don't
Ew,
floss.
I mean that.
But no, but you have some people now, them take some of them I know this woman, she was just like, oh God, this guy was like really cute and whatever, and I liked him and whatever, this and that, and. Would you believe he uses bar soap?
She lucky say she in bed.
No, so I was
Up here,
like,
so you have to watch. Cause enough of them not bed
you
good. You're
know,
lucky say I
no,
use
say,
soap.
yo, so what is wrong with bar soap? No, classic
Nothing
guys
wrong
don't
with
use
bar
bar
soap.
soap, and I'm like,
What them use?
No, but the point I make is you have some people out there in one different space and we're like,
No, I would be curious to know what them really use then.
no, her thing is body wash. You know, she thinks like body wash is standard now. Nobody should use bar soap. And I'm like, the fuck?
Okay.
Yeah, I'm thinking, I grew up on bar
I
soap.
use body wash, but if somebody use bar soap, as the key thing is that you're using soap.
No. The key thing is that you're bathing. And you know, see how much
No.
You know, see all of them video there with them white people, they were like, no, I don't bathe. Why you have to bathe? Why you have to bathe so
Don't
often?
say the key word is that them bathing, because some of them go in and shower and make the hot water run for them, but them not soap up. So the key is to bathe and use soap. Yeah. And some of them say them are bathe, them go in and shower, them not use nothing in there. Them stand up in there and sing a song.
Them don't use the soap. And them bright enough I tell other people say, and them bring civilization to the world.
Use soap, guys. Use soap. Brush your teeth. You don't have to use salt again. Yeah. Unless you're in a pinch. You don't have to use salt to brush your teeth. Yeah, toothpaste cheap out there. Make sure you use floss. Them have cheap flossers out there. Them have the little one, them where you can, even though my dentist told me that one is bad for you, but me use them anyway. Them have the little one, them where have a pointed tip on it. So you don't have to use just the string, have the portable floss, whatever, something.
I don't care what your dentist say. I like those. Them like thin and them small, they work. Them look a pointed one.
A pack of that is like a pack of 100 of that is like $2, $3. What to take care of yourself?
Yeah. I was in Italy and I tried those the first time. I was like, yo, this is good and it's easier for me. Because I mean, I really like the line something there. It's not my thing.
I have to use the line one because I have permanent retainers in my mouth.
Oh.
So
okay.
the something can't go through it. So I have to use the string. But before I had the permanent retainer, I used the stick one, the portable one, the stick one.
See it there.
But take care of yourself. Because you don't want to be with somebody for 20 years and them not kiss you.
And not kiss you. Yeah,
I didn't know why you put your mouth on. I couldn't do that.
No, me have to come kissing her for go on.
Me kiss her.
Yeah, even some little troop singer for go on, you know. Pan her mouth, do you know? Pan her mouth.
You said it, not me. You ball out quick too. You ball out quick. I didn't say anything. You doing all the talking.
No, because me have friends who listen and them turn around and twist around everything what me say. And then
they hear or they listen. That is key. Are your friends hearing you or are they listening?
No, they're just friggin' troublemakers. That's who they are.
I don't know. No, you have to say they hear too much. They're not listening. Them just hear.
They hear what they want to hear.
Yeah,
me ear, you know, boy, you have to kiss, you have to kiss it up on them, something there, you know. I be a trouble limit, man. All right, 23,
all right, my dear.
Blessings, man.
Oh God, rain a fall. Let me go drive out now.
Yeah, man, and drive for the bar since the rain a fall, yeah.
Bye, Raga.
The wickedest time when the rain start fall and 23 begin to ball. Una send telegram and then she make the phone call. Yeah, security.
Hang up.
Yo, inside joke, people. Inside joke. Security. God, I could see what I'm going to do. Going down the line. Squitty.
Okay.
Hello. That wasn't the goal to come up. The wickedest time when the rain start fall. Hello.
Yeah, man. Good night to you, sir.
Respect, sir.
Yes, Raga. This is not your typical mix-up.
All right.
Yeah, but this is somewhat of a reminder when you were on radio. I send you a text message, and I'm just going to sort of paraphrase it to see if you have good memory.
Yeah.
This has had to do with when I was working at a certain radio station.
Mm-hmm.
and became the victim of the tampering with my meal. Over time, that has landed me into the university hospital. And I remember having sent the message to you twice, and I could sense that you got it, but somewhat perhaps didn't want to broadcast it. But yes, it is just to say that
So hold on. So me never say nothing about it, but you say you sense and me get it, an email.
no, it was text message at the time
No,
when
a
you were
text
on radio.
message. But so it was that knowledge that I received it, but you say you sense it, so me get it.
Yeah, and when I say sense, having sent the message,
Yeah.
I think your producer at the time, you can sense when, if you're sending a message, text message at the time, and how you run the show.
Okay.
It was indicative to me that you had received it. But let me just say this, just to, in a way, perhaps kind of remind you. I did mention, what I can remember specifically in that message was that I said to you that I'm trying to remember the word, but let's put it this way. It was when they have, like, I think I used the word delicacies that comes to the office, when they have meetings and so on. I think that was one of the means by which, those meals that I have consumed, to include meals that I ordered, was the conduit to my demise. But thank God, I'm here today.
Hold on. You said
say
did you say meals?
Yeah, man, meals. And when I say meals, let me explain. That office.
Where you say somebody poison you?
Yeah, man, overtime.
Over time, them poison you?
Put it this way, it was not one. It didn't happen once. It didn't happen twice. A matter of fact, even after my surgery, and stayed home for 3 weeks, returned back to work. Right, I started feeling sick again. And let me just tell you, just to hasten, I don't want to keep up your show. Because I went to hospital, did my surgery, and the doctors themselves couldn't even, they couldn't say to me what was happening. And I remember after I came home, after I left hospital, came home, I spent 3 weeks at home, recuperating. Is that the word? Recovering from the
recuperating or recovering.
From the injury, and of course, I had my stitches, went back for my checkup and so on. But after I went back to work, started feeling sick again, I said, wait, how I go on? I say, you know what? I go up you, we go find out what I go on, And so when I go up the Raga, the doctor who saw me said to me, man, there were holes in your intestine. I was, and from time to time I would go, to the bathroom, and after passing my feces, of course there were blood signs and so on. But let me just tell you this.
Yeah.
Just when the doctor tell me that, I just hasten back down to the office and I walk right inside, because it's a long story kind of, but I don't want to take up the time.
Understandable.
I walk right into the person's office, and I pull my shirt and I say, where this for? And believe you me, you never answer that question. Let me just say.
No, hold on. A couple of questions. So, in the diagnosis, 1, did they say you were poisoned? And 2, did they tell you, if they say you were poisoned, they would have told you what the poison was? What was it?
No. All right, they didn't. I've asked those questions, But let me tell you, what I was told by a young doctor who came, she kept asking me, Mr. Swan, so did anybody hit you in your tummy? She kept asking me that question several times, and I said no. But from what
hold on. Just bear with me. You say you were poisoned, right? But you went to the doctor, and obviously they did some tests. We can discern that from what you mentioned. What I'm saying is, they did the test, and from the results of the test, they would have given you a diagnosis. I'm asking you, did they tell you that you were poisoned? You said no, they didn't tell you were poisoned. So what them did happen to you?
All right, so let me just put this into context, because
No, I'm saying
No,
that sometimes I ask you something, but then you're explaining something. But this is a pointed question, that if you don't
and
mind,
I'm saying,
Yeah.
if you would allow me, I can answer the question. What I'm saying, having did the surgery, Mark, before I had surgery,
Stop. No, you're explaining again. What was the surgery for?
okay, I started feeling some serious, it was pain beneath, you would say, the lower rib cage of my stomach, right?
No, that you
And
still didn't answer the question. What did they tell you the surgery was for?
so, okay, let me answer. There was a report from the surgeon, and what it says that they have removed an inflamed portion of omentum, if you know what that means. But
Okay.
there was no explanation to say what causes this. But what I'm saying to you, and if you had listened, well, if you're kind of following me from earlier on out, remember, as I say, after my surgery, nobody tells me anything. Is when I went back, doing my follow-ups, and this young doctor draw my files. At that point, he was telling me that there were holes in my intestine, which indicate to me that this was the reason why I'm eating and just have no energy, and my tummy look like I'm a 6 months pregnant woman.
You see,
Because
hold on. You see what you just gave again? You said which indicated to you. You're hypothesizing. So
you want
if we listen to you here, you essentially you're going to give us explanation and hypotheses on stuff that happened and whatever. And I'm just intrigued. I remember, you commenced your presentation here by saying, I sent an email to you and tell you something and whatever, and indicate, and I sense that you got it, and you never really said nothing about it and whatever. And it's a veiled, kind of passive, kind of look at thing and say, Raga, you get the thing in there, but for some reason, because of what it was, you never follow it up. So now I'm trying to get you to tell me definitively what it is. And respectfully, sir, you have not told us yet, except the point when you say after post-surgery, which doesn't make sense to me, but you say post-surgery, the doctor tells us it's something to do with omentum and holes in your intestine. Holes in the intestine, that is actually not an unusual problem people have. Sometimes it causes some diet. Sometimes it causes some ingesting something caustic or toxic and thing. And then you have other reasons that can, lead to that. I was just asking you because you said you were poisoned, and we have yet to hear definitively, like you tell us something like any reasonable mind. I say, oh shit, they're really poisoning you for true. We still not hear that yet,
All right, there was a number of might I say, events in terms of when I became sick that has gone on before my surgery. And just to explain that, there was even at one point when a certain doctor that I went to wanted to do a urinal test, meaning, and from what was explained to me, I would have to urinate in a bottle for a certain period of time.
You're explaining something again, sir.
No, but let me answer your question, Raga. There was nothing said from having had my surgery that said it was this that causes what the problem were. But remember, I was feeling sick, and there were things that abnormal things were happening. But let me say, I just really call it to say that, in a way, to remind you. Well, but seemingly you may not have remembered. But I'm just here to say, thank God I'm still alive.
Give thanks.
If you follow what I say still to, look at this. The person who did this to me, it's not like I don't know, because I tell you, say, I walk into the person's office, pull my shirt and say, what this for? Because of course, I had surgery, and that person didn't answer me.
Last thing before we go, come here, take some other car. You and this person, can we assume that you and this person never got along?
Certainly never get along.
Okay, good.
And when I say, let me be careful how I said that, because let me be careful. Let me just say this. Let me correct what I just.
No, hold on. All right. So this person you never got along with, for whatever reasons, I'm sure there are multiple reasons for that. But you suffered some physical ailment. You suffered something going wrong with you. And it would appears to me that you concluded that the source of whatever it is you were suffering, which you obviously felt some pain and thing and had surgery and thing like that. I think you hypothesized that that person that poison you or do something to you. I think that is what I'm hearing, because I don't think you know definitively that this person did something to you, but you are convinced, based on your hypotheses, that this person who you did not get along with it, in your opinion, it's quite likely that they did something to you. It sounds to me that that's where it is.
Raga, let me just say this and I will leave.
Okay.
And I'm just using I don't know if I should say a metaphorical explanation.
Mm-hmm.
In the courts all over the world, I'm sure you would have understood that a lot of persons who are found guilty and sent to prison were done because of overwhelming circumstantial evidence. Okay, so if you understand what I'm saying, whilst I may not be able to put my finger on what was the cause for my ailment and for who did it to me, there were circumstantial events that has occurred, and this is why I said this is kind of a long story, and I wouldn't have and I wouldn't want to get into that. No, I really just call to let you know that I was that person, and I don't know, it seemingly you may not have remembered. So
right,
you know,
okay. But I mean, yeah, and we're gonna go, but again, I just want to just point something out to you. Circumstantial evidence is still evidence. It's not guesses. Let me say that again. Circumstantial evidence is still evidence. They're not guesses.
And let me just tell you something, Raga. I am not guessing anything here because there are other things that I have not said to you.
Okay, fine. Well, okay.
All right.
Yeah,
all right, man. Take care. You have a good one.
Cool.
All right, cool.
All right, people. Be reminded, when you say circumstantial evidence, it's like, oh, we don't have a gun. So we don't have a gun, whatever, we don't have a body, right? But we have evidence where you and the deceased, you and the missing person, we have a picture of the two owner driving through the toll at such and such bridge. See it here, Your Honor. Evidence. On the day that the missing person, the person became missing, you and the person that drive through, whatever. We also have the person's phone. And the phone ping pan a cell tower pan the city after the place where on a drive through. Your Honor, see it there? We have them a drive through the place, evidence. We have the phone record, it ping, the person phone ping pan it. That means that the person phoned it up this up, right? And thing. And then after that now, we find piece of the person's garment, the same clothes where them did that wear in our one place. We don't find the body, but we find it in our one place, which is 3 miles from a country farm where you visit regularly. 3 miles from that farm. And you say, but that is evidence. It's not a guess. We find the person clothes. We don't find the body, we don't find the gun, but we find them clothes. We have a picture. See that, Imana, see that? Them a go through evidence. Them go through the toll together, right? Yeah, see that? You, sir, you come from the phone company. And is this so-and-so, right? But yes, it's called direct, right? So you have cross and direct. Is this so-and-so? Is this person phone so-and-so? Oh, you know it's this person phone because she got it at September, think tank, Your Honor, let the court know that we submit this evidence, exhibit such and such and such, proving that this phone indeed belonged to the missing person and that are evidence. Did the phone ping pan the cell tower them up there after him and I go through the evidence? So yeah, when I said I doubt the person was up in that area at some point in the company of the accused. Evident. That is circumstantial evidence. You don't have a gun, you don't have a body, and thing. I'm making this all up. It's an hypothetical situation, but you get the point. But that is evidence, right? What is not evidence is to say, I'm not this a gentleman, I'm just telling you. What is not evident is to say, I did have some when I'm in my intestines and thing and whatever, and it was really, really bad, and but me know who poison me, man. Me know who poison me. And respect for the people, with all due respect to the gentleman, I don't know weed or not. But there are people who get blamed wrongfully for them something the other way. Because them and somebody not get along. Or somebody not like them. It happens all the time. And the person may be convinced that that person do them something. When you not do them nothing, them just not like you. Right? Or perhaps you did do something for that would justify for them not like you too or whatever. And then very often, Jamaicans are prone to that too, using supernatural explanations for events that occur to them, And it's just this rampant thing of engaging in what is referred to as confirmation bias, which is where you put the cart before the horse. Is that them reach a conclusion and then they mold events to support the conclusion where them reach. Which what them should have do is put the donkey before the cat, right? You don't get a confirmation and they have a bias, your bias events will lead to it, right? You must use the evidence to lead to the conclusion. You don't come to the conclusion and then you get caught up in hypotheses and hypotheticals to support the conclusion that you want to be true, right? So if you ever come to me, I remember him starting and he was kind of veiled with it, but him basically I say, so I'm send you something and you never really do it, some kind of sense, say you get it, and you never say nothing about it. And I'm going to be blunt and tell you what's good. He accused me of something. He did. He do it in a kind of smooth way, But him accused me saying, say you read the thing and you never want to put it out there, Now, so for me, so from him gone this, me position him, I'm not gonna lie, me position him. So I listen him out and think and whatever, So I listen him out and think, I don't ever hear anything convincing to say whatever, but even in the beginning, not like a delicate way, I say. Rather long time, I send it to, text, you never but my sense, the sense, whatever that mean, him sense, let me get the text or whatever, you never read that thing, you understand? So for me, the same mind where say it's sense, say me to get something years ago and never read it, is the same mind who tell me something and say somebody poison them, in a kind of roundabout, convoluted, imprecise way and thing like that. Okay. This world we're living in, And moving right along. Yeah.
Raga,
Yo,
Wagwan.
there I give thanks. What going with you?
Jesus Christ, Raga, I don't even want you laugh off of me. That one is serious. It's not even a joke. You start laughing already.
I don't know, me always a laugh. I mean, in Raga, me always a laugh, learn, and
Raga,
grow.
years me I watch you still, years before me even know what America look like, we even get green card, we get all ton citizen, From
See it there.
Tambourine days.
You see it?
Anyway, I get tonight, I'm not waste of time.
Yeah.
So Raga, you know it's about 2008, 2009. Just start you take to,
Yeah.
Them man I go send all the arts and but they are North Street at work or Pottery place. So one evening I left work, I'm go downtown. They are parade. I'm see this nice little chocolate thing, nice and natural hair and skirt and I say,
But she look, like she not come from town. She look scared like she lost or something. So I walk over to her right a big tree. So I say, walk one baby girl. And she say, say, she want...
When I stop it, you're not my age group,
No, I'm in a age group, Raga. I might sound like in a age group.
No, but anybody I talk about downtown and say big tree.
No, man, Raga,
no big tree. No big
tree, man, right a parade, man. Yeah, man.
But them look young and say they don't know about big tree.
No, they don't know about big tree. I'm not hide. I'm 36. I'm 36, Raja. So
they don't you know about big tree.
Just cool, Raga, man. You know, with a youth, where. Yeah, but anyway.
Yeah, go ahead.
See her there, and I said to her, I said, where you go? You look scared, what happened?
Yeah.
And she said, say, she can't find her way for go Coronation Market. I said, Coronation Market? So I said, where you come from? And she said she come from St. Anne. But she got St. Joseph Teachers College and her mother sent some things and she want to find the lady in the market. I said, all right, come. So I take Bedford Street there, some and go right back down to, she part Darling Street and take Tivoli and go back.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
No, know what place them.
All right, so I walk with her now, Raga, and she find the woman and I say, she get her little package and her
mouth. You walk with her, go find her.
Me say, I walk with her, go straight in a Coronation Market. Nice, natural your skin girl, man, chocolate, man, she not a sense.
Oh, but in a curry you go, you never go into the community there.
No, man, she not come from nowhere about them, man. I carry her into the market, man.
Yeah.
Anyway, I carry her back a parade now. So I say, where I go? She said she go St. Joseph Teachers College and she board on the dam and thing and so I say, all right. Them time you have WhatsApp and them time I have about 19 or about 20.
Yeah.
You never have WhatsApp. I look a banger phone and when you text and call, no video call, no nothing go on.
Yeah.
Anyway, she give me her number and I start text her and we call and we get in and she invite me to come check her up at St. Joseph Teachers College in a crossroad. I go up there and I think go. And I say, my little thing this now. So I say, no, man. She said, no, just come from country, I got school. And I say, Father God, my blessing this now. You gotta start laughing. You gotta start laughing, man. Wait a little bit. So I know, say, no, me feel good now, feel like, man, take bus gone back to my yard now. I say, you find a little thing. Me start go you take now. She go, what? My life set you now.
Yeah. Good,
Raga, you know now, say, every evening now, cause me that go you take in the evening, So I go about 3 or 4 days for the week. So me that stop across or talk to her a little bit and jump on a bus go on a papi.
Yeah.
Rascal, Raga.
Yeah.
One Friday now, me have coursework, So I say to her, I say, B, me and I end up go down a waterfront. She come check me at town.
Mm-hmm.
Me get pay, get her a little pocket thing. So I say to her, I say, B, me can't come there across her tonight, cause to my bridge in them day, I will go up on coursework and thing. I not get no crashes at night, Raga. I play Christian and Raga, me not start go to church too, because I say, I have to marry this, Raga, me say, I start go to church. Yeah. Church, man.
Yeah, that time nothing no run yet.
No, Raga, me say nothing no run none at all. Me not afraid to tell you.
All right.
Let me tell you the sweetest thing we're going to do. When me and I get close, we got to tell you that part. One Saturday now, I say, I carry go show my grandfather and say, my girl, is everything good. Because when I scheme, nobody not see me that woman, they must say me a boat man. Feel like man, not blood. Cool, man.
The world need to see a new girl. Oh, you mean?
One Friday now, I said to her, no, it was a Saturday. So I said to her, I said, you are going now? I not call her name. And she married now and she settled down.
Right.
So I said, you more I do for me. Just go and hang around, man. Because my grandfather is a man where me and him have an understanding. But you are going, say if you stay till certain hour, I can tell him, say, yo, bus stop run. So she, Raga end up. At the first, me sleep with a woman at my grandfather's house. Raga. First, me have a woman asleep beside me, my guy hotel go do a look 1 kill and thing, but
yeah.
When she stays in a little G-string and fling her foot over me, I said, Jesus Christ, I saw my grandfather sleep nice. Feel like man now. Lock into this, me not see nothing. Me no want to see no woman a she alone. Me want to see in church.
No,
Nothing.
hold on. When she sleep at your house, at your grandfather house with you, you and her sleep in the same room, and she didn't
Yeah,
G.
man. No, man.
She didn't G string and fling her foot over you when she asleep beside you.
Me I tell you, Raga man, leg pan shoot man, leg head pan shoulder man, feel good, hug up and feel nice, man. You need me to tell you, man, nothing go on, no. No touching.
No kissing, no going on.
Yeah, man, kissing go on, man, no touching, no. You know what I mean? No touching, no go on. I don't know the life, I don't want
So, you never. No, man, I've talked to me, man.
Like I say, no, me not get for fuck it. Nothing, I be a touch and
say
feel up.
say start out.
No start out.
No, so hold on. So when you never try if you make a move off,
you know, me I tell you, see me I make a move, man, and she say, remember, so we got a church, or wait till we get married, all kind of arms out, I got a school, man.
No, then when she said that, of course, woman never said that. So when she said that, what you do?
Yeah, me still a force and I kiss it up and she say, me just lower, me never there force, no. Me at 19, 20, me not force.
Okay, you know, okay.
But when me get the wicked part out, you know, I could go back to the Friday now, so I say to her, I say, I can't come there across the road, because I go up on my course work, I think them, you know, I'm bridging them a study. Blood clot, I got reach on my yard now. Me I wait for her to call me, to tell me, say, she reach on the campus, because on the dam she sleeping, you know. You know what I mean? Country come from. Raga, me a call. No, you have reached the voicemail box off. That's how the blood clot is. No, Raga, that's cool. You know, you're the hot party, man.
Yeah, go on, yeah.
So me did it, Raga, me can't focus on bridging them attack and we are everything we did there. Me can't focus. Me now hear nothing what them are saying and she, me a focus on them.
Yeah.
When I tell me, I said, Jesus Christ, Father God, one girl, me can't have the scheme and everybody see woman and man gone with it. What go on? Yeah, John, I stay saying, call it. Nothing. You reach the voicemail box up. I say, all right. I lower that number. I stay saying, drop a seat nice city. About 2 o'clock now, Raga, me ring it back on the phone ring. She answer. Me I say, B, what go on? You reach up at the campus and me there, so I worry, you know, and I think that everything good. Yeah, Raga, me a man in the background, so I go on the phone now. Boom, clock, Raga.
Well, I'm back, man.
A man in the background, so my girl, ring up the phone, man. Raga, me start wheeze, I'm not have asthma. Boom, clock, Raga, serious something I tell you, you know. Raga, me only yo, me say me heart give me a big lick, boo. Me say me start wheeze.
I hear have asthma.
You me tell you. I'm a bridge them ask me, what go on, me I tell the man, I say, no man, I'm a good man.
Yeah.
I hold it down. Raga, me I tell you something now. And the longest night me ever see. Raga, every minute me go out the door, I look the sky dark. Me can't see no blue. So me I say,
When you say the sky dark, you know,
Raga,
no blue,
no blue. Me
nothing.
not see every minute me I look on the phone, me say 3 o'clock. Raga, let me tell you something, man. You see, boy, after 5, me will be and jump out fast, because I want to see the man here where I come off of the dam here, because me go up there, and I don't see no man on the dam, so me want to see the man here where I come off of the dam this a day, yeah. Raga, I reach up the boy after, call it about 5 or 6 o'clock, reach up before the security them, you know.
Yeah.
Reach before the security them.
Yeah.
The man them pull the place, because them know me, because regularly I go up there go look for you, so them know my face.
Yeah.
Raga, I sit down under the gazebo. We have a little thing at the front where...
Yeah, the gazebo,
you know the gazebo?
right.
Yeah, you sit down under the gazebo now. Come here and say, me no see the gate pull. Because you have a section where the gate is locked to go to the dam. And the security have a pull that. So, if the security pull that, well, I'm the first man now to see who come off of here. So, if a man can go up on the dam, me must can go up on the dam go sleep now. Lord, Raga, me did it till after 7. Gate pull a big woman, me see a come off, who now go home, because you know a weekend, them got them country or them yard or who go buy grocery and, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Lord Clara got she that me see a come on the campus with a bag. Me I say, what a wicked blood clot girl like this. I tell me say the girl got the money, I go sleep.
One answer, she never there.
You know, hear me, I tell the man, she not there on the campus, man.
And money and she there, you know.
Girl, come on with the bag. Have on her bag well packed, you know. Raga said, me see her and she see me. But now I like Raga, me drop down and start ball. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it, Raga.
You drop down and start ball.
Raga, I said, I start ball. I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it one, Raga.
Because you know say she get body, though. Because you right there say you know say she get
man.
body.
You got to tell her when you start ball now.
Yeah.
All the security man look for me, I can't call her name. I said, one girl, what go on? She start ball to Raga. You know, so the man give her 8 grand and she give me 4 out of that. I start ball and take her myself.
Well. I could call her Naki. I could call her Nakita.
All right.
I could say Nakita. So when you ball and you say Nakita, what you say? You didn't say anything to her.
I said, what go on? What
you
is?
said Nakita. Oh, you have to do this
Yeah,
to me,
we have to do this.
Nakita.
What go on? Cause remember, I know Raga, me hear a man like a doubles me. Me hear the man say, my girl, hang up the phone, man. Raga, that get that mash me up in the Raga.
Yeah.
I'm a virgin them. I say, what go on? Me can't even talk. Remember, me not knock the set in a Raga.
Yeah.
Remember, me not knock the set in.
Yeah.
So me I said to her, I said, one girl, what go on? And she did. She tell me say she want some things to buy and she know say what me I said then oh God man then oh God me get paid I'm still a give her a little thing and you know Raga she start bad say she's sorry and she show me the 8 grand and I take 4 out of it and cut.
Yeah.
So me stay and reach back you know the mothers right at the clock in a crossroad.
Yes man I know the mothers them man yeah.
Go in a mothers now Raga. Bama eat a breakfast and me sit down you know. I said, blood clot, I want that girl a wicked, you know. I want a wicked, you know, so I stay on. I said, Jesus Christ. First girl, me carry go me my place and me never get to knock it now. Oh, the man them a go pray me now, say, boy, I'll come and take with this and I say, Raga, you know, say, I'm going to link my grandfather. I say, yo, my grandfather, you know, say, you look a thing when me carry come here and ray. And man, I say, boy, my grandson, you hear me? Good, better, best, you know. You get good, you go and get better, you go and get best. After I guess when him tell me that, so I said to my grandfather, see, I have to start bring a look at man, say anything you want to know, man. You're a big man, you're soon 20, man. I gotta know, say one day now, me go back across road now. Fishy, me now see, me just walk past her. Me go end up now, see a next girl now. We are going to St. Joseph Teachers College, same school. So me and her talk and she said, your face look familiar like. I said, yeah man. She said, no man, you never come on the campus before, Ray. And I said, yeah man. She said, you know, say, that's true. And me and her start talking now and she said to me, say, you know, say she not no man. And I said, Ross, what them St. George, them girls are St. George not a man. What go on? Me and her get you now. So when me and her get you know, I'm comfortable with her. She end up give me the crutches now. I feel like man now. Nice.
Yeah.
So me I tell her the story now. How she end up get to make my face familiar. I say, you know, so me did meet a girl up here before. Cause me don't want it look away, say boy. Me have a girl up before and then she know and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So me get in with her now. Me I tell her what I go on. The girl said that girl was wicked. She said, you know, so I'm you know the all time shape kingfish them, the first type carol the police them did have.
Yeah.
She tell me now, say, you can't stay there. A regular, me say, they'll come and they come pick it up, man, at night time. I say, what you say? I me have this as preps. I play Jesus with this in a room. I me have this as preps.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, I say, girl, they're terrible, but them terrible.
Oh, you mean
you have good man, you know. Me not bash all man, you know. You have good man, you know.
Well, like when you did a PLR, look at your look 19 year when you did a PLR change, like how much you that gear, so like
Raga, you know me not like you. When me usually work on North Street, cause it's a ceramic shop me that work, you know.
Yeah.
Make the pottery and you know the floor.
Yeah, I don't know big money there.
Yeah. So me usually get a 6 grand.
Yeah.
You know, say boy me that gear at 2 or 2.5. You know, every time the bus fare cheap, you pay 50 lap on bus to go home. I don't know. Serious. You know, true, I look at $1,000 partner. You don't know me ever still go up the sign. Me never did appear.
Yeah, but she I get like 8 grand from the Kingfish man.
Then me not tell her, Raga man.
A bigger money she did I get still.
Then me not tell her, say the man and knock it man and she played, and me I play Jesus with it man. Nah, I get nothing man, cause my money small man. My money not give me no knocking.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I don't know she name me no, but I'm only surprised if she named Melissa. She a wicked. Melissa, the hurricane, Melissa, she a wicked, you know, but
Yeah,
we
no.
call her Nakibi. We call her
Nakibi.
Nakibi, she name. Nakibi. We
Yo.
give her that name
All
there for
right,
work.
Raga, I'm gonna tell you something now. You see the
Yeah.
girl when me end up link, that are the second girl. Boy, me think me love the girl with the knock on me. You see that one here, Raga? Jesus Christ. Hey, Raga, I share the first one me know St. Thomas. Because St. Thomas, the second one come from, you know. And me I'll tell you something, Raga. You see she, Raga, I saw me know say I have good woman out there, you know. Boy, if me could have turned the hands at time, Raga, and get back that girl there. But I do anything to get back that girl. But
this is what? The second one, right?
The second one, yeah, man.
Yeah, okay.
You see she, you know, Raga?
Yeah.
That girl cook up on the campus, man, and carry come give me a North Street, man.
Then that she your man she should have love and married and take care of she and mine her and take
no,
care
man, me that deal that good to man. Me not go.
No, you're probably young and thing too, you know, so.
Yeah. You see she, you know, them girl that came to St. Thomas where she live up in one place called Whitehall up in a Morant Bay, the man Carmaga Beach.
Yeah.
They have a fruit. She had the first girl. Every time I come to Jamaica, I go Portland go buy that fruit, yeah. They have a fruit named Mommy.
Yeah.
You see that fruit there, Raga? You see every time
I
buy a Mommy, and she come to my mind. Every time I mean, baby girl, don't feel no way at the truth. Yeah.
No,
yeah,
she in your mind, don't.
Raga, hear me say, man. She married, she settled and she do her thing, but me I tell her, say, when I tell me I want to tie she timing. Me I tell her, I mean, I know a good friend still now, and I come out, I will link up from time to time, you know, respect her thing and she respect my thing. But me I tell her, Raga, one of the wickedest thing
well, all young men listen to me right now. All young men listen to me right now. I tell you something about woman, right? Listen to the old man. Don't have no girlfriend where you go introduce to your family and whatever and a wife or up and a own her up. If one, you don't sort out yet, and two, if you're in a church something that I can't understand them, because some of the church people are phony thing that, which I don't agree with. I'm not say God so enough to do it. I not agree because God not tell nobody to be a fool. But anyway. But not only una sort out, but listen, this is key. If you don't have at least one time when that woman come to you, come give you front because she want to give you front, don't bring her around your people. Because that could not be your girl. You hear what I say? If you don't have at least one time when that woman, she make that choice to come look for you because she want you, she feel for you, she want to run it for you, she want to enjoy you. If you don't have at least one time when that happen, don't bring that woman like a wife up in your community and run a family and nothing like that or whatever because you could be being played. Listen what me I tell you. I hear the old man I say, all right. Yeah, me G.
Yeah, Raga.
She boss your head this, so she boss your head this, so she boss your head this and thing.
Raga,
That's how it go, you know?
Man. Right now. You hear somebody I tell me say them asthma, take them off run go for them pop. Me say, me understand when I say, man.
That run out of breath something.
Yeah, man, me understand when I deal with, man. Me know what I go on, man. Me understand.
It's when you hear the man voice there in a foot, it's like the voice them just sound extra louder, you know.
Raga, just cool, man. Me say me dead. Me mind Raga, me I call the girl from Boston. From reach me yard, you know. From reach me yard, me I call her, you know. You've reached the voicemail box off right through.
Yeah,
man. 2 o'clock, remember, you know, Raga, me I expect the man, you know. When she answer now, me I say, B, what go on, you know, every time you go up, you know, let me know everything. Blood clot, man, so my girl up before no, man.
No, the whole time you call her, man, the wood they shift up her internal organs, them and all them something.
Raga, you mash me up.
She rich. Well, the whole time you call her, the body they shift for cervix.
Yeah, come on for your friend, boy, I wish Raga, take me off for your friend.
My dad, big up yourself.
Big up yourself. Me there watch you go.
Cool, man. Blessings, man. Cool, man. Cool. Hey, no fun, you know. I don't want to talk about want to get beaten, you know, but almost everybody get a little beaten early out in them life, you know, when them are just coming in a game, you know. Everybody get a little beaten. Yeah. You know, me get my beat to them. I can't remember them and thing. And the important thing is that you learn from them, you know, and you rise and you grow and you learn from them. But if I will get a little beat, you know, I can look back when I get a little canning and thing and reach and whatever. No for that go on, man. See? All of it. Right? Well, big up to the people them who, because me and my relative, you know, I swear to God, I can't swear for her. Say, she's just such a God person and whatever, and just was such a house rat. That the one man who know if she a man or a woman, another man that she married, me know for a fact that, yeah. But so you have some people like that. Yeah, you have some people like that. You have some people, you know, just so them, it's just like I look a road map on it there. And, but outside of that, man, for me, I date and you did out there and thing and whatever and something like that. Well, I will get a little beat, no, man. I early mash up reach and thing and whatever. When me get my one, them, I understand. And get brush up early out. I don't know my token story. I don't know my different thing them though. I could see what I go on here. So. Greetings. Hello. All right, we'll go back in my pack, you know. Well. First, I go down the line, you know. Hello.
Good night, Raga.
Wagwan.
I'm here.
Spoken like a true Jamaican. I'm here. Medea.
Medea.
Yeah.
A true Jamaican.
You see it. Go down. Talk to me.
Yeah, Raga, me have my dramas and me understand where man a come off of.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a big fan from my childhood days when you on the radio.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until I come off already on TikTok now. Big up to
Yeah.
all of that.
See it there.
I still enjoy your things and be a thing.
See
Anyway,
it.
me have my drama.
Yeah.
What do you say? Well, I'm a mother of four. I have
Yeah.
4 kids.
Yeah.
Relationship for 9 years before me get the next 2. All of that go down and be a something. Yeah. Stay standing strong. Anyway, my drama is my dad is me have my baby father, me and him still live together.
Mm-hmm.
Him left go. Still give me chance. Me usually searching for me stop. One morning me there pan me slug nice at he turned to me. Like him said to me say, this is supposed to give something, right? Me say, supposed to say and him phone to me. You just see the on the WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
When he give me a phone, me and this big woman in a competition. She in a competition with me, but me never in a competition with she.
Mm-hmm.
When we take a phone now, me look, big I love you. That he must send a woman to the woman, you know.
Wow.
So when me laugh now, he look for me and like he might give this look serious look at me when me laugh about. So when I make it be a big problem, they
Mm-hmm.
just wait up to do every little thing. Me not go to your phone.
Mm-hmm.
So me then in my part of the room,
Mm-hmm.
me in the early morning. Be me want you. Me say, who want me? Why you want me? When you go text woman. You text woman say, you love them and be something. So it's a big argument in the early morning. So I not pay no mind. You go like an innocent. Me say, no woman innocent from Father God land. Tell me who innocent now.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, the thing me say, brother, if me not do my thing, you know, that's sorry for the Father God land because it have probably kill me. So did it. My customer sister come over ask me what go on. I said, no, not go on. Ask me what go on. Because I must say, to them, my sister walk on the road, so I start explaining to her. She start laugh and say, oh, tell him say, sister, we innocent. Karma come how come I goes. So my sister say, yo, me tell you so now. You see, anything a man do to a woman a going to return the favor because no woman not going to lie to no man from Father God land again. Yeah, so the breeding state drop now in Jamaica. Every woman start to tie off. If they not do tie off, them take the family planning because so all of them be for there when they tell you, like face to face, they love you, which they have inside the man out there, one competition and hurt you as a baby mother they in a house, I do every little thing and work man top of it. They
Right.
not show no respect unless you gotta lie down with them. That then they not show some look rubby dubby and say, babe, me love you, not like much more love. When then I get over man time when they are work at night time I text you make you feel good in yourself. When I text one waste girl and tell and say they love them, which that's what I want to. So me know me believe say side chick get lot of respect with the woman that they also. Basically, me pray no. So me say basically me gonna start be a side chick for out there for enough man. Because me find out say a side chick
Wait,
get
you
enough
just said enough man? What do you mean by enough man?
enough man out there have side chick where they worship than the woman
No,
where they have
no,
there.
but if I'm not mistaken, you just said you're going to be a side chick for enough man.
I would be a side chick out there for enough man.
No, but listen, me a reason and thing and we attack and me a listen. So we know say him go on with where him, well, me know say him go on with where him go on with. So we know say you already are going with where you are going with because him a do what him a do. So what wrong if you do what you are do and thing like that. So
No,
but
nothing wrong with what we are do because
so but when me ask you, me want you educate me about something because me hear that talk here go on for a good while now. Quite a few women I say, yo, it better them live better with man and do better in a life when them a side chick for man than when them a straight up woman. Not true?
Yeah. You really do that because you be a straight up woman, liar, when in come in here, make sure saying all right. And when you are working class woman, I am ensure say the person, the partner is okay. Them not ensure say you.
I think your baby wants your attention now. Yeah.
Today birthday, so
Today birthday. All right. You know, they're like that, you know, if them see like, you know, your attention is elsewhere. At that time, they want your attention and thing, you know. So, you know, if you have to go, I'll understand.
No man, in bigger brother asleep, so in just itch and palm me alone.
Right.
Yeah, me not got work because I'm a foot, I have to do home.
Okay. So, all right. So, you and your baby father together now, or what's the position now with you?
We are not together. In my mind, we are not together, but I don't know in a female setup.
Okay. But you still interact, though. You still interact, though, right? Two on
yeah,
own a
we
house?
own a house together.
Together,
Yes.
okay. The baby father, is the baby father for your 4 kids?
No.
Only for 2, right?
Only for 2.
Okay, all right. Well, listen, I wish you all the best so you work. I see you govern your thing and, you know, you figure out life and a cut and go through, you know. I just want to say, I wish you all the best, yeah?
Baraga.
Yeah.
I'm not hurting, baby. I'm not hurting. But all I'm saying that, you see where the guy talking about, I'm gonna look on the comments them, yeah, woman wicked out there, but they have some woman who get disadvantage out there otherwise. You agree or you disagree?
Yeah, well, from long time.
Okay.
Yeah, no woman get a raw deal and, you know.
With my advantage, when me get out in a life, my first kids them, maybe in a relationship for 9 years, never step out. Maybe in a relationship for 6 years, still never step out. One of them go out, get married, and next one the year, him run in, run out, run in, run out. Me still don't put the blame on myself. Me just give a man them place to breed because a man. And basically, they want to be Samuel. I'm going to a woman. Me wrong, am I right?
Well, yeah, I see your point.
Okay, my grandmother, so my grandmother always tell me, say, give a man a long rope, make them feed out themselves.
Yeah.
But
But again, like I say, you sound like, like you're at an age and a stage too where, you come to terms with certain realities out there with men. And I just want, commend you for persevering so far and, accomplishing whatever it is that you've accomplished and thing. And just wish you all the best as you try down and go through and things. See? For you and the little ones too, okay?
okay. Thank you, Raga.
All
And thank
right.
you for listening to me.
Yeah, man.
Big fan.
Love and
listening.
blessings. All right, then. Love and blessings. Yeah, man. Cool. Yeah, people out there deal with them challenges in their life, and things. See, oops. I think I kind of moved this thing a while ago, How time now? Okay, my son should be now. Greetings.
Are you hearing me?
Loud and clear.
Why, Raga, I don't know which story to tell you, because every time I listen, I hear different things. Big up to you, Ragashanti, for a long time. I say, I go come on your life, but me shy.
Are you in a sound shy,
Me shy. But listen, you had a previous discussion about mouth health.
Yeah.
And what I found out lately, and I found it out through my son, he's 21, something called oil pulling.
Mm-hmm.
Have you heard of oil pulling?
No, but I think I know what. But go on.
Okay, so with regards to the hygiene, like the mouth hygiene, oil pulling is literally the first one. Like once you wake up, you use coconut oil, like maybe a tablespoon-ish, depends on how big your mouth is. You use, and you just swoosh it around for about 15 to 20 minutes. So if you're somebody, and you mean generally speaking, if you're somebody who sometimes you wake up and like you brush your teeth the night before and your gum is sore and something like that, it kills any bacteria in your gum. So once you do that, I don't do it a lot, but like if I feel a certain way, I do it. Once you do that, you oil pull, then you floss, then you brush, and then you wash your mouth out, mouthwash. So it's oil pull, flossing, brushing, and mouthwash.
Oil pull, flossing, brushing, and then mouthwash. Okay.
And you have people on TikTok selling oil pulling toothpaste. I bought one of it, but it's the same thing like oil pulling with the coconut oil. So it don't waste your money and buy oil pulling toothpaste. Just use the coconut oil. But listen, with regards to another discussion that you were talking about with the man them and the woman them in terms of the bun part.
Yeah.
Me have a little bun part, but I whisper it, cause me don't want nobody know see.
Yeah. Just tell me alone. Just tell me alone. Not tell nobody. Yeah, tell me alone.
Tell nobody else. So
tell me
anyway,
alone. Yeah.
All right. So me ex, like way back when me did just in my 20-ish, young and fresh and everything. Country girl, go on Mobile, meet this nice man, man speak English and everything, proper English.
Him did I speak English?
Proper English. Hi, how you doing? Blah blah blah. So me I say, wait, me like the man, yeah. So you know, Raga. Me I talk to the man, man give me a number. Them the days that the phone where you have where you pull one little pole, the Motorola, but that's some big fridge phone.
3310.
Yes. So I them the phone there. So anyway, after me and the man get in and thing, that time me shy never I know. I lie, me did a one man before, but that a one different story. But anyway, this specific one, Mr. Raga, one day, he invite me a house. When he invite me a house, now, why am I ask me some question? I ask me say if me ever do certain things yet. Me say no, me no know what you talk about. Me a country girl, me know you know something there. And me I tell her say Raga. We no years if we're not under 18. Mr. Raga.
Yeah.
After me and the man did it, and the man a kiss up on a door and sitting there, you know. And I tell you, say, when the man finally decide, say, him a go downtown, you know.
Yeah.
Me say, Raga, he come me like, say, me get a new life.
You mean when him start swipe you?
When he starts swiping, me
When
never
you feel
know
like
the
you get
person.
a new life, that means you feel like you're born again, you know,
Feel
don't?
like me born again.
Hallelujah,
Raga,
hallelujah,
Jesus.
hallelujah. Well, them time there you never get to eat things yet. You never get to eat things.
Never ever.
Jesus.
We don't know nothing about that.
Jesus.
Why me can't tell too much about myself, but me say me just, you know, young, just left college and everything, no know nothing about.
Nah, man. If you come from a country and you meet a man who can talk English and then like eat that something that's so good and whatever, no, you know, most matter, man.
Me say, Raga, every
Yeah.
weekend me there Mobile.
You gonna maybe if you look at eat
Every
things,
weekend
though.
me there Mobile. Every weekend. So you want to know, say, after me.
Well on. I don't eat it alone, though. We don't do the things them too, though.
Why we do the things them too?
And wind up in night. Okay, all right, then go and talk. So every
So me I
weekend
say,
now you're there,
Raga,
Mobi.
yes, man, and then me I say, wait, why fall in love and everything, you know, but me go get the short version. End up get married and everything and so.
Who?
Me and the person.
Okay, all right then, yeah.
So you know, say after the first week how we married, you know, first week, you know, then in those days you were able to look. I was able to use my phone and get his text message. Me don't know if nobody know about anything there. Where could I use your phone and they put in their phone number and get them text message? So me hear one woman voice, oh, what we did last night was nice. So me I say, wait. Anyway, after me ask him, me say, listen, me hear that text message upon your phone. Me busted now, you know, cause now he knows me a tracking phone. Me say, me hear that text message here. Oh. So he must say, he can't tell me. Me say, what you? Me say, we just get married at just a week and you can't tell me. Me say, no. Me say, me I left right now. Me say, me I left right now. Me no want nothing else to do with this marriage and me I left right now. You have to tell me. And you have to carry me, go show me the girl. So anyway, me a country girl, you know, me nobody know.
Yeah.
So anyway, him end up say, all right, if I tell you, will you be upset? Me say, no, me not gonna be upset. Just tell me. So Raga, the man tell me who. Me say, where the person work? Tell me the person, the name, where they work and everything. Me say, you have to carry me go down at the workplace right now. Me say, you have to carry me go down there right now, else everything done. So Raga, why the man take the bait?
Me glad you called it bait.
So what the man take the bait?
Yeah.
After I take the bait, you know, and we go down to the road and I got to know the person work, you know.
Yeah.
Well, right now the person work because years ago. So anyway, Bottom Road one liquor hotel.
Anybody who don't know Montego Bay, Bottom Road is a strip. Here is the Margaritaville, Dr. Stewart Beach, down there. So yeah.
So we go at Bottom Road now and he tell me say, what the girl name? You have to tell me what the girl name. I tell me I'm going to let me a bad girl and me I don't know bad girl, you know.
Yeah.
So he say, all right, I'm going to tell you the name, but don't go say anything. You tell us that the man speak proper English, man, no cuss bad word, nothing.
Yeah,
so
speak proper English, man.
I'm going to tell you the name and I don't want you to go in there and say anything to her because I know you. Me say me not say nothing to her, man. That time me I drink one thing, you know.
Yeah.
So anyway, after him bring me there and him say, all right, this is where the place. Me then know say the man so naive said this is where the person work. So me busting through the door now and me say, give me one name, Raga. Give me one name.
Well on. Let me give you a name. Well on. But patience. Let me give you a name. Java. Just say Java.
Me say, who name Java in this what's it called place?
Yeah.
Me say, who name Java? Then I look round. Me say, show me who name Java, and then she hear her name and she come out like it's like,
Java, come on.
What's going on?
Right, yeah.
Me say, hey, dirty girl, are you there with me, man? I'm sitting. That time me no bad girl, you know. But me draw for the back like me they go lick the girl and the
like
man.
you draw for back like you go lick Java.
Yes.
And what Java do?
Java they shift, but the man that pulled me back. Oh no, you said you weren't gonna do this. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
So all the while, what Java do? What Java do?
Java, then they try block me from Java, called
Java.
Java. Right, Java
No,
is
well,
here still.
Java did one pop your ass and she
Java
did a
did want
Java.
fight. Java did want come fight, and Java would have probably beat me up. Raga, me I tell you the truth.
Java would have pop your ass. No.
Cause me, I don't know fighter. So
Yeah.
anyway, after that, me no me forgive the man, you know, because me I tell us me think about the other things. Then me say no, so me can't give up this. Then me I sitting here, cause
Yeah.
yes, them messed up me and new to me. So me want hold on panic. So anyway, cut long
Wait,
story
what you
short,
say new to you? What you mean?
this swiping man.
This what? You know, say only swiping, you not talk about the jokings, I just
But
a
me
swiping.
can't do everything, man, because me
Me
no
know,
want
me
them
know.
to see me, you know.
No, but me say, the swiping did really turn up then, don't it?
Everything turn up, man, everything.
Gee.
Yes. So
What him
anyway,
they just know if you lick it and circle
oh
it and
yes,
them
me I
something
tell
they don't.
you, yes. That time me never know, say boy, I might do it to everybody else. But anyway,
No man, him never do it to everybody else. I just you him did do it.
so that's a one episode. Let me give you the next episode. So one next episode now. All right. So after a while, I decided to me do extra classes up at NCU, right? Up there. So because them the time they, you know, NCU up there, so Adventist College, whatever. So one night, you know, cause me used to track him movement. This is like after we married and thing, but me give him a chance about 6 months after. So me a track him movement still in on. Him used to pick me, go work, and me work a country. Now me did that work a country, go work, come home every day. Cause me say me nah give him no space. Me I come home every day. I used to weekend, now me say me did it every day. So me notice that one night me I wait, me I call him, me say, where are you? Come and pick me up. That time me did on a right a juicy beef there so. Right a some sharp square where you have, me don't know who know my be, where you used to have juicy beef and some soupy man used to there right there so at the corner. There so.
Right.
Right, a juicy beef, some soupy there. So I don't remember what they lay in the name. So anyway, me know say liquor spot that, you know. So me turn up, me say, listen, me there mobile, me there downtown, pick me up. So anyway, after him did it, me tell me one wrong place where me there, you know, but me go turn up where me know saying always go kind of love by soup. Me say after me did it, and me stand up there, you know. Me see the truck coming and me say, when me look, me see one big old girl in at the front. Me say, but Papa Jesus, what is here? Me say, Raga, me thought get grieve, you know. So that time me having soy in here and sitting, you know. So me grown and me say, I know we if I went with the girl that tear you off. So anyway, me go around and me say, oh, this is another car. Me say, by the time if you say, oh, this is in the car, Raga, the girl let jump out. And me say, when the girl jump out, you know, me run, go around, they take off my shoes, I'll fling me boot. The girl run gone, you know.
What you mean?
Downtown,
so she a runner from you?
yes. So it look
okay.
like say she didn't know about me.
Okay.
So anyway, after me did it and him a tell me say, come in the vehicle. Me say, me not come in no vehicle. And me did it and the man them round the soup here say.
So well on, him never explained to you say somebody who did ask him for a ride and then him say
You don't get no time.
Well,
You don't get no time
yeah,
for that.
but it sound to me like somebody who didn't need a ride for go somewhere when him a carry her, she hungry and him say I'm gonna give her some soup or something like that, him tell him.
No, you know, tell me nothing kind know say me not take no talk because me friend he do something one time, me I watch him and me I say, all right, me I see how many times him I go do this. So anyway, after me they like, and you know, say the man them in the lane when I back me, them I say, what the girl I take your man, fling the rock and one man give me one rock and make fling his stone off of the cow.
Okay.
Me say, it was when me I tell you when me look, you know, me say I was so flustered and then me start look around for my shoes and one of the man them say, see your shoes, your lady, see your shoes, your wife, you take your shoes and go on. So,
I will say
anyway,
do I get ratings
so like that was the second attempt. The third attempt we did literally break up. So the third attempt now, I started going on campus. Right? Me started going campus at NCU and in Mandeville. So now me used to come down every weekend. So me come down like, all right, so this is how we used to go. Me used to come down every Thursday. Because you know, say Friday, 12 o'clock, class cut. So all right, You know, me movements, I know, so every Thursday me come down. Right now, my family member, them don't know them, I still think if I hear me, I go tell them, you know me. So, anyway, when me come down every Thursday, so inside, watch me movements, you know. So one day, Raga, me come down Wednesday. The man never knows that me I come home. And one of the reasons why I come home early is because me and this girl used to carpool, and as she did drive, and she said, all right, me I go home, and me say, you know, left me up here, me I go down too. Raga, would you believe, say, when me go in at the house, I want girl that me sit down in the prim and proper.
Jesus, how she look? How she did look?
She not look at like me.
She not look, oh, you hotter than her?
Oh, yes.
By far?
By far, always hotter than the dirty girl them.
So all of the women them when did I take you hotter than them?
Me hotter than the whole of them.
You're sure? You're sure?
100%. 100%.
So when you look on she, you know, and she see you know, what go down?
Mr. Raga, yesterday, the hot temper we me have. Mr. Raga, that the hot temper there. Me no know which party disappear to, you know. Me start chat to the girl, me say, who you girl? Me say, how long you and talk to this man for? Me say, where you work? Me say, me start turn liar like you, know, Raga.
Yeah.
By the way, enough respect, cause law was my first love. But me couldn't afford to go teach law school, so I got teachers college. But it never too late, cause me see you do it, me see other people do it. So you don't
right. Very good.
Congratulations.
Yeah,
so anyway, me turn liar upon the girl and me start ask the girl one whole heap of question. So he must say, me say, oh, you there with woman? Me say, I eat this. Me say, I eat this. Me say, me done. That was like, me almost finished college. Me did just have like, maybe another couple weeks and then me would graduate. With my first degree, you know. So me say, me done. Me say, I eat this. Oh, I'm gonna take her home. Me say, you not carry home this a girl without me. Me say, me they come in at the car too. To make sure, say, you drop her home and carry me back. Anyway, he bring her home. I don't remember what the place is. Tell me where she work or everything. And me say, you know what? Me say, I eat this. And we eventually decide, say, make we just call it a day.
Right.
Some other extra stuff did come in between when we did
figure,
that's
you know, but you just edit
part. I
out.
get the juicy part.
Right.
So
No,
we
man,
just
and I
call
sorry
it
for
a
you.
day.
Just call it a
May I
day.
tell you, say, boy, may I tell you, sometimes you go through some things and you say, you know me, you grew up, but me, I want whole heap of different one, but one different time we call
And
it.
next time, man, I big up your hot self, you know.
Me
Big
get
up your
brave
look.
up tonight.
Yeah, big up your
I
look.
wanna follow me on TikTok all 1,400 and other uno.
All right.
But Raga, enough
big up yourself,
respect,
man.
enough
Blessings,
respect.
man. Love and
All
blessings,
right,
man.
big up.
Take care.
All
Yeah,
right.
man. Cool.
Take me down.
Yeah, man. People, me no want to no vex, you know, but again, you know, a Thanksgiving week up here, you know. Me have a little boy, you come from Florida, you know. They are with me and things. Zion there with me and things, so. You know, work have to go on, but, you know, for give him some attention to, you know, and things, see. Elaine, where you going?
Man, no close, Raga.
What's up?
Me there, Raga.
Yeah.
The man before Milo, what the fuck he was saying?
Which one then?
The one about the police running at the party and I know me not hear what him say.
Yeah, that one did it. Yeah.
When him come up, me see you said Soraga. Instead of you saying
there's some things me do, you no need to say what me do. When I see what me do, I leave it right.
But me think you would have said into my heart. Only the woman them you want come into your heart.
No, not for everybody. Not for everybody, you know.
Jesus Christ. Me actually, sir, get to the point. What did the police do? No, me not hear what the police them do. I say.
Well, what you think about the one with the gentleman who was convinced that somebody had poisoned him years ago?
Why, Raga? Look how long you come off a radio. You remember that a text there. And him a say, him no say you get the text, but you never really say nothing about it. I'm sure it's that man poison him who him lift up his shirt and say, what is you do?
Yeah, right.
Him a assume say you get the text and him a assume say that man do it.
Well, break it down, Elaine. Watch Elaine. You see an analogy there. You know, there's similar properties in both assertions.
Yeah. Raga, me not so bright, you know, but me can work out the maths.
Nah, yeah, maths it out good, man. Yeah, maths it out good, man. Yeah, maths it out good. You have identified and isolated two constructs, you know, where one influences the other in terms of similarity and thing, you know.
Exactly.
So if this one is true, it's likely that this other one is true also. All right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And your friend last night, no, I say, he meet this because I love taking your people. Then me now say, no, you rude so. Him say, he meet this girl, like them did a talk over a phone, the girl hot, she pretty, and all this, and them in the car, and like the girl love kiss, and the girl move towards him, and when he reach up, when he smell the stench, and he still stop him breath and put his tongue in the girl mouth.
Enough people do that.
Raga, me nah do it. From me move towards a man, so a man move towards me. And me smell that smell them. Me I say, sir, make we wait a little bit. Make we wait till we reach in me I say, make we wait till we reach in the room. And you see from reaching the room,
yeah, take
it's a back at him again.
A back at him again. No kissing.
Yeah. No kissing.
Yeah.
End up put my tongue in his mouth and then a beer slime and it's a fish lake.
Eh? But well,
He said,
if it mouth not clean, or you know the body I go clean.
Remember, say a straight condom, Ilian saying no.
Oh, okay. All right then. All right, that makes sense. But no kissing. No kissing. From you get from that the smell from the mouth box or whatever. Can't dry right this and thing. No.
Me say, when me hear you come up with that topic here this morning, me say fast car, if you know which topic Raga come up with when me and you talk about every day, me I tell fast car, I say fast car, your mouth not stink, you know. Me not tell no lie, your mouth.
Elaine get cut off, you know. Elaine, man, your credit down there, you know. Elaine, your credit done. John, no, Elaine credit done, you know, people. It look like Elaine credit done. John get cut off there and thing. Elaine credit done. People don't feel now you're still in the man for a leg right now, and I'm just want to reach the Hey, yo, if you watch right now, you know, follow me right now. Follow me right now. All who are watch and not follow me right now. All I know who are watch, if you're not follow me right now. Do remember that all my shows, they're over on YouTube. They're over on YouTube at TamFam TV. TamFam TV. All of the shows them I've been on the live over here, them over YouTube, including hundreds of shows from years ago. Ragashanti live from Jamaica come right up. Even the one them I had over YouTube and not found over TikTok I never know about. They're all over YouTube. And what the channel name? TamFam TV. What the channel name? TamFam TV. So you go over YouTube, you put in TamFam, TamFam TV. TamFam TV. And when you go there, subscribe. Subscribe is just follow. It's free. I don't know. And click the bell too. subscribe, and click the bell. And listen to the content, watch the content, enjoy the content, and think have a wonderful time. Have a mix-up thing and entertainment and thing, and I know my thing set. Again, YouTube, TamFam TV. Go over YouTube, TamFam TV. All of the show them over there. And for those of you who are watching right now, if you're not following me yet here, please do follow me right now. Please do follow me right now. And TamFamers, that would be all I own and thing. I've been embroiled in putting together a system of things where I kind of did hint to from long time, so me I do. And basically it's to avail, all the content in one little clearinghouse place and thing like that. So I make you know about it, including the outer other channels. So for those of you who want the outer other thing and whatever, you will have the option to opt in to listen the outer that thing. I don't know, so that slackness, right? So clearly it's not for everybody. It's not for everybody. It's for only grown adults who are making choices for themselves, and you would choose to listen to that in the privacy of your own space and think, and you're not beholden to nobody, and you listen what you want to do. And for those of you who don't know, the tagline for Outer Order back in the days was what? Come for listen, listen for come. Come for listen, listen for come. Those were the days, all right? So we have to put that together, and then there's another thing we're going to tell them about it by next week. Sitting there. That's nice, but basically it's going to be our own community. Yeah, our own little community where we can go over there and have our own little space. You build up your little own. I explain that, right? So I put it together and think and I line up with a lineup and make you know what is what and thing, all right? And again, the idea, a whole heap of work are going out, whole heap of work are going out, and the idea is to have all the TamFam related brands in one place with all their content for your consumption, for your enjoyment, and to facilitate your interaction with them and things like that. So as that is coming together nicely, I think a lot of work is putting into it. We're not aspiring. We're not coming here for aspiring. Ragashanti now aspiring. Ragashanti always a push through, always when problems are reach me and things like that, always a push through. I want to have the same attitude. I'm there for make you laugh, I'm there for provoke you, I'm there for enlighten you, I'm there for inspire you. And we used to laugh, learn, and grow. See, for a long time we had to do this. A decade in it, we are elder in it, we are statesman in it, proudly so. Big up on yourself, people, all TamFamers large up, that would be you all. Again, I say, take care of you and yours. For those of you who celebrate Thanksgiving, particularly if you're going to spend time with your loved ones, the ones you care about, the people who matter to you, and things like that, do enjoy it. And remember, don't behave yourself, don't make a relative dry you out. If you have a relative where you and him not agree, you and I not agree, be careful. Remember that family gatherings are also a place where sometimes long-held family secrets come out. So I want to be able to myself tomorrow when I them. So if some of them things that come out, eat some good food and think, bless up the food before you eat it so that you can digest it good. It's a Jamaican thing. Yeah. All right, y'all have a good time and thing. Respect and honor, sitting the scene. Everything is everything. Chumpy, big up yourself, Cookie man stress, big up yourself. Cookie man stress, like a spirit tell me something for buy like quarter dozen jars for you. I don't know why. It's like the spirit I tell me something for buy quarter dozen jars for you. Cookie man stress. What kind of jars? Cookie man, tell me what kind of panty you wear? Are you like a boy shorts? Are you like a cut, across the butt? Or you like a tongue, or you like you just have the little patch at the front and nothing else not there. Right? Jesus God, you say, I don't wear drawers. It was the spirit I tell me wrong. Like the spirit I tell me wrong. But again, whatever it is, I know it's enough fun like wear drawers, but people, Jamaican men are really into lingerie, and sexy underwear, I don't think I've had a brethren who not into it. So ladies, we know so on the love go naked and them something they know because that's like trending now. It's a thing and whatever. But I just want to know when a Jamaican man, like I say this all the while, When me come foreign, you know, and woman just quick, I drag off them drawers and whatever. I never like that. Never like that. Because our thing, you know. You know, sometimes I say something true now, and probably I say, what a big deal, like that is not now, whatever. But, yo, when we are back in the day, you know, it was a big thing for the man take off the underwear for a woman, you know. Ask any woman in them 40s who come from Jamaica or 50s and whatever. Jamaican man love dry down woman jazz, you know. It's a thing. It's like part of the process, you know. They love dry woman jazz, you know. Right? Ask anybody, ask Chumpy or anybody in my age group. Ask any woman who in our age group. Them will tell you, say, yeah, man, it's a thing with Jamaica, man. Them want to take off a jazz, you know, man. It's a thing. You know, you come and a woman will take off the jazz. I'm thinking, man, you're like, I don't want to take off that, you know. Yeah. Jamaica man love by jazz to take care of back, you know. Yes, man. Yeah, you see the Dr. Max had true. Right, Starboy say rip off that. Yo, any man out here, whenever tear off jazz off a woman, yeah? Let me see if the man is not living a life, yeah. Any man who never tear off jazz off a woman, yeah? Like literally tear off a jazz and whatever, shock her and surprise her and whatever. Yeah, Chumpy say yes, me know it. Starboy say yes. Cut it off. Cut off nothing, man. Yeah, man, sometimes your woman a juggle if you just surprise her, man, and just grab a jazz and tear him. She do, we tear off that man. You know, when I look at flimsy, look at, you know, lace one day, especially or whatever, I would have like a little date night or something. I would have surprise her one night, man, I'm only jazz and tear it off. And I know some of you may want to, you know, bite it and tear it with your teeth and then something there, whatever makes your boat float, okay? All I'm saying is mix up a thing a little bit, make it a little bit interesting and fun and whatever. She'll appreciate it, okay? Your wife will appreciate it. Your lady will appreciate it, all right? Mix up a thing, man. Tear off a dress, but buy her back her dress too when you're done, yeah? That's good. Yeah, it's a good idea to do that. And men, do not be afraid to buy underwear for your lady. Do it and enjoy it. Go into Victoria's Secret and whatever. The ladies there, they're very accustomed to helping you and whatever. And Victoria's Secret always, Victoria's Secret cheap panty them, a good quality panty. I mean, some of them thinner, whatever. But at least them have a baseline sophisticatedness about them. So Victoria's Secret, them always have like buy 3 or sometimes 6 and whatever. I know, I've been doing this for years. Hello. Right? And those are, you know, those are not the best you're seeing there. But even those are good. Even those are good. Make any woman tell you. See, Jacine says 7 for $25. I see. Oh, pink is good. Pink is good. Pink lace panties are good. And Victoria's Secret always have some nice pink panties. That's true. Vicky always have some nice pink panties. But, you know, me and my color them pink, white, black, and whatever. But, you know, different color fit different woman differently. So you have to know what you're doing. Yeah, some color. Yeah, me as a Fenty around the place, you know, big up Riri, you know. Yeah. No, but, you know, depending on who you're doing, you know, you got love a particular color upon she. Duh. I saw that thing they said, yeah. That has always been the case. You know, depending on who you talk to, you prefer that color. I thought somebody a white or so, like somebody a red and somebody a blue. She just look good in a blue or that do it for you and thing. All right. People eat up some good food tomorrow. Give thanks on the day or so and whatever. I want to see what reach Jamaica what day. I want to see what going on in the world right you know. Some of us want there and them not take look at blessings for granted. You know, remember where I come from. Give thanks for one have, give thanks for one day. Give thanks for the blessings, give thanks for the good people in our life. Tell them. Right? Don't spend time and pay attention to the bad people in your life and cuss them and talk about them or whatever. Talk about the good people, man. Talk about the goodness where the good people do. And do remember, there is a natural law out there that they don't have any empirical evidence to support it. Yet, people have seen it happen all the time. Remember, whatever energy you put out at that, you're going to get back. Seriously, it's a simple equation, but it works. Whatever you focus on, that will come to you. It's just a natural law, right? Whatever you water, that will grow. So if you are focused on the people that want to like you non-stop, which means you are focused on them negativity and all them something there, and the energy I go come at you. While you're there, I forget all of the good people in your life. No found don't have good people in their life, you know. I'm not call them and tell them. I'm not give them thanks. I'm not call them. I'm not sit down and say, boy, I have to give thanks to such and such, you know, because, you know, she did it for me right through so and so and so and this and that and whatever. I give thanks to uncle so and so, and my mother, and my father, and my grandmother, or my co-worker was a boy, she did really did it. I just call her spontaneously and thank her for, you know, for really so and thing like that, and think about the details, them, what make that person such a good person. Yeah, man, focus on the good things, them, man, and you find some more good things will come at you. It works, trust me, I prove it all the time. I prove it all the time. I just push myself not to focus on the negative and focus on the positive and whatever. And all of a sudden, all these like good things start happening around you, you know? Just start happening around you and whatever. And you see it there, it work. Maddie. All right. Have a great day, people. And do remember, Ragashanti there from Mondays to Thursdays from 6 p.m. in general, on average, you know, till about 9, 10 and thing, you know, this week we finish a little earlier sometimes and whatever. It's supposed to be 6 to 9 though, 6 to 9. But just always get the people in Brata and go after 9 o'clock. And then some of them go on like them want bad me up on that time. Just stay to 10 o'clock now, we don't stay till 11 o'clock or whatever, like them things, I have things to do with them out and I said. Big up Marcia Goodas, you know, she in the chat, they say Marcia Goodas 41, who made it very clear that her most favorite position when she had do so is 69. She even have 69 there, right? This under her name or whatever. Marcia Goodas, are you that? Big up yourself, you know, you embrace 69. No, we're not having any show tomorrow, family time tomorrow and thing, all right? So we're not having any show tomorrow. Again, it's the biggest holiday in America, Thanksgiving. It is, for real, the biggest holiday in America. And things, so I hang out with some of the family, them and things, and sitting, all right? So straight blessing, people. Y'all take care of you and yours and thing and be good now. Blessings, cool. Yeah.